Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey, 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 shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of my mind, it comes up in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
Yeah, man, I want to say greetings and respect to all massive and crew. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Take up that here for me, take up that here for me, take up that here for me. I'm careful because a good heart. A good heart. Yo, you know why you're going like you want to disrespect the program, you know, Emily. Yo, blessings and respect, people. Blessings and respect. Everything is everything. Everything is everything. Yo, big up Ruth and Jackie Wang. Two of them are wear purple. I only don't know, say Ruth is a KC fanatic. But when I look upon people still in a we say the utmost for the highest caliber to the world. And if I understand, when you say German, hey, tambourine for caliber, them if you understand. I want Michelle here. I walk one. Let me just notice that she in a purple too, what? And you see a calabar your teeth. So what you doing in purple?
I'm colorblind.
What you doing in purple?
Life is lived in the gray areas. This is all gray to me.
No, that's not gray. When we talk about calabar and Casey, we don't want a gray area right there. So we want clarity. We don't want you to talk like you know the man at Phelps and Phillips Commission, where everything just cloudy and be a generalship. We don't want that. We want clarity. Hey, I be a generalship. I go out there. Hey, me say people. I be a generalship. I go on the man at Phelps and Phillips thing, you know. I be a... Hey, people me want to know listening. You must listen it. Don't ignore it and go on like, say, boy, like, as some bossy people boring something on the one. Listen to the thing, man, and just try make sense out of what I go on. I be a generalship I go on in there. Be a generalship I go on. People, if you listen to that thing, that's straight politics. That's straight politics. You think that people have anything to do with... If you listen to that and you think what is ensuing in the man at Phelps and Phillips sitting there is really about what is best for Jamaica. Anybody feel that? Now whatever. I want to make a case to that. I want to know if it's politics. When we're talking, well, politics is any negotiation of power is politics. But we may talk about PNP and JLP, don't it? Yeah, that's I be a general. Hey, me say this sitting entertaining like wow. I mix up, you know. It's a mix-up program. The man at Phelps and Phillips thing is a mix-up program. I hear the other thing and I don't know about. Enough time when them ask about one thing, you know. You have a behind-the-scenes thing where everybody know about, where nobody can mention in the commission. Hearing people, enough time when you hear them they on one look at something, you have a behind-the-scenes agenda, a one where nobody can really bring out because the legalese does not allow you to mention certain things if you can this and you can that and whatever. But it's theater, man. It's theater. Right here now in a Jamaica, a 2 pantomime a run. One down a little theater. Right now, a 2 pantomime around a Jamaica. One day a little theater, where Barbara glued on right. I have a next one where we don't even know who write that one. We don't even know who write that one. But it's be a generalship. Hey, you know this one, nobody not really talk straight in I think. Talking got truth. You know, nobody not really talk straight. Nobody not really talk straight, you know. I people go around the thing and go around and come around and no, while I me and Mr. Phipps, I asked the brother, I know. Like him I say. So you're going at the meeting representing legal affairs. And like the man I said, no. So I said, but you're not the person who deal with legal affairs. So like the man I say, yeah. So then you're going at the meeting representing legal affairs. The man said, no. And Mr. Phipps, him say sarcasm, no man. And him say in rank. In rank. And him say sarcasm, no. So the man basically, I try to tell him, say, Now we're going there to find out if we can initiate the operation. So then that's not legal affairs. And the man calm still, you know. The man calm and now make Mr. Phipps say, right? I say, no, basically the man want to tell Mr. Phipps say, me never go in there for deal no legal affairs. We just got to find out if the thing are going to start today. If we can get authority for the prime minister, them not talk straight, you know. Mm-hmm. The man has said, we just go in there for know if the thing can start today. And that basic. That's why I'm telling you, enemy go in a parliament, you know. Enemy go in a parliament, me and them in there because me not talk straight. Right? Basically, man, I said, no, me got a meeting for find out if the thing did ever start right now. We just want permission for the thing start. It's a fifth depend. But you represent legal affairs, don't you? Then I must legal affairs they go in there if you represent legal affairs. So what you did I do in there?
Try
hey, I am here think say Mr. Phipps down, you may think say him now make no sense. What is a tactic, you know, man? Yeah. That man there I think long time, you know. No man, Frank type boss when they come to that thing. Them man they were all frustrated, you make a chat all foolishness and you don't even know so that building and that instilling of the frustration inside of you. It's to really get you for kind of start wobble and then lose your cool. And then, you know.
Get bummy.
No man, that crazy games I play. You think not easy? We got the man at Phelps and Phillips Commission though, cause I am an entertainer, so you don't know me. I always look for the entertaining side of things. I'm a love laugh without apology. So we don't want anybody to think we're deriding the thing and that we believe that there's absolutely no good going to come out of it. Hopefully some good going to come out of it. But again, right now, me are one of them people when me drop back, I'm going to look on this thing. Even though me I enjoy, I'm going to drop back and look on it. I'm going to ask myself, so what really are going to come out of this? Mm-hmm. Are we going to experience any dramatic change out of this? Are we going to reach a level now where Jamaican jails are not only filled with ghetto people? Because again, I'm telling all the while, if you're looking at Jamaican jails, your only conclusion can be it's only ghetto people commit crime at Jamaica. Again, I state that. If you look in Jamaican jails and you look, you know, what cases dominate the courts in our country, the only conclusion you can come with, if it's going to be based on evidence, is that it's only ghetto people commit crime in our country. You understand? You see? Yeah, but when I controversial clip, yeah, play one for me. Well, okay. The learned Mixup Queen's Council, Ragashanti, is about to listen. Hold on. The learned Queen's Council, Mixup Queen's Council. So that some of them are QC. Me a MUQC. And that spell muck. Some of them are QC, Queen's Council. Me a MUQC and that spell muck. Watch how me get muck here now. Play one of the controversial clips back here, and I will give you my my learned analysis of this. Let's hear it.
Mr. Chairman, does Mr. Phipps have a copy of this document? The questions, the way they are, suggest that he has a copy of this document. And we would like to know if he has one, then we all might as well have copies of it. No. Before his suggestion, let us find out if he has a copy and why he has a copy.
In my experience, anybody has been asking to see counsel's brief. That is totally prohibited.
That's not correct, Mr.
No.
Right? The Chief Justice asked someone.
The Chief Justice did it and the Chief Justice quite wrong.
I'm not interested in his brief. I'm interested in whether he has a copy of a document which you prescribe of a must copy.
Yes.
That's what I want to know.
Yes. Have you got a copy, Mr.
Think never say, and Frank, you know, easy when you said that thing about 20 years from now, never quote back this now, you know. I didn't do it most. I do not propose to reveal what is in my brief. That website, I will not propose to say what is in my brief. And that him say, I say him did say, tell. Okay. Him say, you know what, all nice right here now. He say, I will not propose to tell what is in my brief. Showing it is another matter. Yo, big up the man at Phelps and Philip. People, I want to listen it and listen for drama night and tell we the mix up them will come out of it here. Listen it and tell we mix up them will come out of it. Man. Okay, I do I do not propose to tell what is in my brief. Yo, you see how dirty Jeremy and they laugh? You see why they depend on Blackberry Messenger or something? You never see what they depend?
Which one?
Jeremy and King, you never see what they depend?
Which one? Which
No,
one?
but you know your Blackberry.
Yeah.
So when I see it, I nearly drop down. And I said, but this is not like Jeremy. It starts to say, obviously, I talk to woman. Mm-hmm. If you don't give me HEA, ...
Oh,
I will give you hell.
Oh, I'll raise hell. I'll raise, I think.
No, I'll give you hell.
Oh, give you hell.
Give you hell.
Oh, yeah.
Raise hell. If you don't give me HEA ... I will raise hell. And I was like, this is absolutely disgusting. And then after several months, him spell it out. If you don't give me HEAVEN, heaven, I will raise hell. And when I read it, I said, that look a nastiness, Jeremy King. And whatever. And of course, our older listeners don't have a clue what's going on here because they're not used to that term. You know, head. Referring to something else. And whatever. But anyway, Mr. Phipps, don't tell them why in your brief. Don't tell them why in your brief, Mr. Phipps. Them rank and them bright. And we think this matter is very serious. And we don't want to hear them things there again. Right? You cannot be in a serious thing and want to know why in the man brief.
Make sure you hold it up good when I want it. Drop off.
Yes, Mr. Phipps. Mr. Phipps, we don't know how you stay, you know. We don't know if you're heavy. Are you feathery? Right? We don't know if Mr. Phipps heavy or in light. But we should be totally appalled that the learned people want to know what is in Mr. Phipps' brief. You're out of order. Out of order. Well, know why in a man brief. What is in the man brief is theme business. It's theme brief business. You understand? That is what we want to say. And people I want you to listen this thing here and keep listening because these are the slackness that is coming out of this thing here. Man want to see one know why in a man brief. What does that have to do with Dodos? Right? We can assume that us would not want to know what is in Mr. Phipps' brief. Right? Is who did want to see in our brief? Which one did want to see in our brief? I did who? Is who did want to know what is in Mr. Phipps' brief?
I think it's one of the councilmen.
No, but is it true? Okay, just so we don't have any ambiguity, people, a brief is basically a synopsis or something. It's a written record, a synopsis of when lawyers write a brief, it's a written document or whatever. We're just here making fun of it. Okay, people, it's a old school tourism. We're going to break with soon. Well on. Let me see. You know, is that brief me weird today too? What? I'm just saying, big up my brief. Big up my brief.
Let's hope it's not the zebra. The zebra.
No, big up my brief. And I'm about to check what's in my brief. That's just a joke. Soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm wanting to call and talk up the team.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I sitting. I want to greet you now. I want to send enough respect to and thing. At the Mixup Entertainment thing with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all our listeners, them, our foundation listeners, them to who set it and things so we can there. I reap it and I enjoy it. You see? Yeah. So, Ruth, that D and G upon your blouse, what it mean? You hear what she said, D&G me?
What she say?
Delicious and gorgeous.
No box me.
No, I said, then go on when they get the fake brand thing. Then I saw the, you just say, don't worry about that. Yes, but we put one swag in it. No, you have some people wear some cheap things that make it look good enough.
Yeah, cheap and clean.
No, you have some people cheap and clean, man. You have some people wear some cheap clothes and make it look good. And you know what, Bonnie? You ever see some people that wear some proper expensive brand
and
clothes?
Them don't
and when you put it on them, it favor plate cloth. It favor plate cloth. No, man.
Jeremy said them name egg pan nail.
No, man, you understand? Some people may tell you that shame brand, expensive clothes go upon them and them just don't, it don't look right upon them. Right? Them favor donkey in a skirt, you understand? It just don't look right. Don't look right. Don't look right. Don't look right. And by the way, a synonym for donkey is ass. A-S-S. Ass in a skirt. Wanna come back to me? Yeah, man, big up the Egyptian people, them. Big up the Egyptian people, them. Because, who knows, probably them outlaw blocking the road over there too. And them now watch nothing. Them are demand change. They want the foolishness done. Jamaican people, any ideas? Any ideas, Jamaican people? Any ideas? Remember, you know, this thing is starting at Tunisia. Spread go over in Egypt. Now the Jordanian king him a fret and the rest of them a fret and make changes and think of them know that cloth to run go over there and the people them. You know, remember one country in the Balkans, one of the countries, the people them just get up every day and get up one day and go in there with whip and start beat the whole of the politicians. You know?
A lie.
Yeah, man.
Jeremy,
you know remember it? Ruth, you know remember it? Is that, listen, man, I don't know if I judge.
I think it's Georgia. Is it Georgia?
Jackie.
Georgia.
No, man, no. Like it, I said, Kyrgyzstan are sitting like so. Jackie, you never remember that? One country, man, like it, I said, Kyrgyzstan, the people them just get up one day and get some whist, like a brook, some whist, and go in a parliament and start bust up politician, what's it now? Just a whip them up and think. The politician, they run like thief out of the country. Whenever I interview the boss, the prime, I say, well, I just don't know what happened, what came over them. I don't know what happened to them. They're just like the mad people that just came in and start beating us like that. Ideas. Ideas. Out of order. Okay, people, it's about 10 minutes after 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Okay, just before we do Can You Believe It, we want people calling right now if you want to participate in a Get to Debate. We want two women to do a version of what it going last week. Last week we have two men that argue to say who are the better man. Well, it was end up being three. Who things are going for who are the better man. So we need two women for calling right now. And thing I'm basically not going to argue why one of the atta, which one of the atta better one. You understand? And cause the other one, I make the other one know say you're not atta hungry. Yeah, you see it. Make the other one know say you're not nice and nasty. You understand? So you think sort out certain way. Well, a lady said the boss atta hungry, don't? Yeah, man, a lady said some girl atta hungry. Some girl atta not dead for hungry out there. Yeah, yeah. Emily, you say your mother call them nice, what?
Nice nastiness.
Nice nastiness, them. The woman them will look good and them nasty, don't it?
Nice
you see?
nastiness.
All right, you see? Okay, so it's all about the Can You Believe It right now, and we are in London. I mean, I tell you, that brother, you're wicked. That brother, you're cool. Immigration officer puts wife on terror list. Immigration officer puts wife on terror list in London. In London, an immigration officer figured out a perfect plan to get his wife out of his life by putting her on the terrorist list. When the man's wife went to Pakistan to visit her family, the man added the name of his wife, whom he dislikes so much, to that of Osama bin Laden and others on the UK terrorist list. Jen, I read I hate him wife. Yes, man. Catch him right name, right under Bin Laden name. Can't miss it. Right when them all write down the wife name, must all put right beside Bin Laden, Linky. After the visit, the woman decided to get back to the United Kingdom, but was prevented from doing so at the Pakistani airport. The officials there failed to tell her the reason why she was being prevented from traveling back to the UK. She then called the husband, who promised that he will help her out. As it later turned out, he failed to do anything about it, and the woman was left stranded in Pakistan for 3 years. Senior immigration officers got to know about the incident when the man went for an interview to be promoted in rank. When he was confronted with his terrorist wife, he confessed to the officers. He was immediately fired from the service. The immigration service later released a statement. The statement said, "We expect the highest levels of integrity. Allegations of misconduct are thoroughly investigated, and we always take action swiftly where we find members of staff who have abused their position. On the extremely rare occasions where this occurs, the strongest action is taken." Again, people, him and his wife live in England and him working in immigration. And for those of you who don't know, in airports all over the world, they have a terrorist list and thing, and it's like an alert, you know. Mm-hmm. So if the name come up, what if people are getting a problem with that, you know?
Yeah, man.
What if
when
people
them go up on the custom and like them tell them to take them picture and whatever,
Yeah.
they have to screen the list for save them face in it.
Yeah, but like I think a Jamaican person name did come one time and all kind of problem.
I lie.
No, the problem is you and somebody have the same name and your name come out, them come text it by you know.
Oh, but O'Hare? Because I know like
No,
they
not
have a pic- they have
not
a
in
picture.
Jamaica, not in Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Foreign, I'm to a Jamaican a foreign. No, but I will if people are man. Dog name is up if you are going to name Hussein or Laden. that look they know. Laden no. Our DJ Laden no. And him can't get no confusion when them talk to him, you know. And if them go ask him, say, "How long your name, Laden?" And him go say, "My Bin Laden." They must say, "But wait him bright with it to it. Come here and lock him up." You understand, boy, Bin Laden. Hey, Laden, you better change your name.
But that man the wicked doing a Raga.
No, him cool.
A dirty man.
If not, no, what we don't know what the woman doing.
My business a dirty man.
Him
3
don't
years.
know. No, depending on what the woman doing. Send her clerk go wilderness.
But see it flip back on him there.
But the flip
when
back
you
on-
are the grave, dig two.
No, I know. Ain't wicked, ain't cool for true. Ain't cool. Even if you want to let go your wife, man.
Yeah.
You don't put your wife on that. Hey, I lock him and lock her in Pakistan. That United Kingdom make she even try to go Jamaica. She not no fly out, you know. Tan dead over Pakistan and thing. Him stay, brother, you're cool, man. Because you're man a sweeter up on a nicer punch.
Oh, yeah,
I'ma miss you. I'ma miss you.
No worry, man. I deal with it fair. You know, yeah, I'm a art.
You see it? And when she call and them I say, "What?" And them can't no worry, man. I got dep on it. You don't know what I mean, say immigration. I got the and my wife see a box when him hang up him say, "You're rich, yo." You see all when she take the flight and gone to Pakistan. Him probably go say, "Yo, I call the bonner girl. Yo, she gone, you know. I hate that. We're good here now. We don't even have to hide. We don't even have to hide. What we say, Piccadilly Circus. And that's the thing there. You see, no, man, a brother are cool for real. Again, people, a brother working at immigration at England. And him not like him wife and just decide say him I go put him wife name on the terrorist list when she travel go Pakistan. I met the woman stranded there for 3 years. And when him go get an interview, for get promotion, them ask about him terrorist wife. Because you might get promotion. They might say, "But your wife up on the terrorist list. We're concerned about that and Ray, and they might grill him now." And I saw the thing come. Is that buying him get himself in, you know? So in order to get out of that bind, you know, because they might look on him and say, "But your wife, you involved in terrorism too?" So they say, no, me not a terrorist. No, but just put her name, they come in the tired No, everybody are cool like, whoa. I am say ice. Okay, people, that was...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Check. Okay. Yeah, and do remember when people call in for get to the beat to 1, 2 caller, 2 participants right now who can talk up the things and make them know, say, get to style and sit the cuss out things. You see it? Call in for get to the beat and thing. Hey, yo, you know where is it? We don't anybody know if it bunks it. I'm going to change up some things tonight. All righty then. Okay, Rudy, always there. All right. You know what? You know where we'll get to the bed. I go and fix it so that the thing set properly. I can read some email. Okay, here we go. First email. Raga, I want you big up the girl who just start work at the same hotel. The girl the man booking with look better than she. That hot. Imagine she get her work, you know. Yeah. Just get her work at a hotel, you know. And the first day they say, all right, I clean. So, knock one door and thing. Only if I see her man was come out there with the man. That time he gone from business for 1 week. I really business him.
I would have really clean him up in there.
No, you'd have to be professional. You cannot engage in violence on the job. No, you have to hold it. You have to hold it,
right.
Man. Eh? She can't engage in violence.
When I give him the plunger, man. No. I'm brushing 2 times. I'm spraying him down with little lights.
Not the plunger. Use something. Use a sheet. Use
the sheet not have no effect.
Exactly.
Plunger, I would say.
Exactly. No, you can't put plunger.
I wipe him down with
Listen, you cannot use plunger in anybody's face. What? You can't use plunger and lick somebody.
All right.
And a hotel. You know much of them foreigner left them look at particles for the plunger.
Nothing wrong. What am I doing there with woman?
But that Atty, they in a year she said to the woman who him in there with
look better than she. I plunge him little more.
But me can't understand. Hey, me can't understand it because woman call her show you all the while and say, like say, them no want them man give them bun. But if the man give them bun, they must give them bun with somebody who look better than them and a better position than them. I couldn't understand it. And thing. But you know, basically you say if you say the woman look better than you,
it's like it's always
so if the woman pop down, you'd still be there, huh?
Oh Jesus! Plunge him, box him, everything. It's like put it this way, you can never please women.
No, you see what it is, you know, with the woman. If the man go pick up a pop down kettle with a cockroach or whatever, the woman immediately wonder if also there's a film taste there, and what that's about me, same day with me, you understand?
Yeah.
So she said, so when I say me not the same class as she, so when the man go take up a tap woman over her, the woman she may cuss and war, you know, but secret she said, my man have ambition. He must step. And that's me for there, you know. Him just need for no say for work with me for get me there, so you know what I go.
Me still I say him now left that hotel room there.
Nah man, talk it over. I'm pull a shaggy. It wasn't me. But when I look for you, you think you're looking at me, but it's not me. You're not me. I know you think this is Raga you're looking at, but it's not Raga. This is somebody. Pull a Bruce Golding. Listen to me now. I'm 2 different persons. You have a bonner man and you have your husband. You're talking to your husband now, not the bonner man. 2 different people. I understand the level. Okay, well, I want to say, Raga, big up my friend who couldn't go out this weekend. Him love sport and floss, but him wife not like it. When him reach home Friday night, she hide him false teeth. Him search, but to no avail. She finally give it back to him Monday morning when he was going to work. I'm a friend Raga, but me did have to laugh after him. Him say him usually take out the teeth and left it in a cup of water. So you see how them at a road and weird at them yard, love and respect. Yo, that cool, yo. Your woman hide your teeth and you can't go a road. Cause your woman hide your teeth. Your brother them call her. Yo, Benji, you not roll. Yo, me can't get touch the road today. Me go and build. No, shut up now. Me go and Benji, I want me. Yo, I want to break. We're so forward.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the team.
Mix up and blender family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know. And we want to keep it on the radio. So please me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, say no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I Sit. I could just finish read off them email that before we go to the phone lines with our phone mix up and thing. Next email. Good day, Raga. I want you big up the girl in my community. When I stop swipe off the man them up there. One day she do it for a large pizza. Yo, could give her a tambourine. No, man. No, me I give her a tambourine. Big up the woman who swipe for a large pizza. Big up the woman who swipe for a large pizza. I wanna rate the one that will do it for small pizza. Well, I large, baby, at least your belly full when you don't. They said, one day she do it for a large pizza. And Raga, the other day, coach Jim Screech upon her and take back them furniture. Them no stop chatter and say she a kill this girl. Yo, when them coach people and singer people I take back, hey, sometimes them scout you out like military, you know. Yeah, man. So, hey, when if you watch True TV and see the repo people and when them take back the people them care are foreign. I be a drama, you know. Now, man, sometimes them coach people and military up the thing for you, man. Probably hide in a bush, camouflage outfit and all them thing there.
Because
Kiss your house, check your schedule, yeah.
People always go around them like when light for cut off, people go around the light man.
Yeah.
And them can't cut off if you know they home, that kind of thing there.
You see it.
Go around them wicked, man.
But somebody, boy, you know, some of the people them always I do. When they know so they're near for move. When they know they're near court, then they always ask if you bring in your electric bill and this and that. But when the people that know they're near for move at that time, they go take out the things, you know, and then they move, you know. Now, my coach and singer need like an investigative team, like a FBI team, a crime stop team.
Some
you know?
undercover thing.
Yeah, some undercover sitting, forget about them furniture. Next email, Raga, I want you big up the mother where her husband dead and don't left nothing for her in the will. Instead, him will it to him daughter. So the mother start there with a young boy and set up the boy for there with her daughter. And nyam her out, and then him use the daughter money for mine back the mother. At the same time, the boy have a bonner girl on the side where I breed and him bring her to the house where the daughter and the mother live and tell them say, I'm sister. The mother find out say, is the boy's sister for real? And say she have a bust it out. But the boy threaten her and tell her say, if she talk, him have to tell the daughter, say she and him there for name out the daughter. Raga pure mix up. Backside. No.
It mix up with you.
No, that one there.
Mix up.
No, that one there mix up. Remember we tell us a mix up is a verb and a noun. Mix up is a verb and a noun. Why that mix up the mix up? Yeah. No. Adjective, yeah. That mix up the mix up. That mix up the well mix up.
Bad.
We can't use it as an adjective, a verb and a noun.
Yeah. It has been. Yeah, we use it like it. I say a mix up here.
No, you can't say. When we mix the mix up, it was very mix up.
What? No, I'm telling you, man.
No. When we mix up the verb, the mix up noun.
Mix up.
No, when we mix up, the mix up.
No, man.
When we mix up verb.
The mix up or where the mix up or where mix up it mix up bad. I don't know.
The mix up where we mix up.
Mix up bad.
That's closer. The mix up, which is a noun, where we mix up the verb.
It mix up bad.
That adjective.
Jesus.
Bad.
Pat me on the back. Lord, me never said me come.
No, that bad. That bad. You surprise me. Yeah, little sense.
Yeah, let me like you want to broke my shoulder.
No.
Easy, man. Love me.
No. So how you go again? The
mix up or where I mix up, it mix up bad.
Yeah, the mix up where I mix up, it mix up bad. That bad. So the mix up is a verb, a noun, and a not. Oh, we're bright, so. That was. Hold on. That was a profound Broadcasting Commission moment.
We got Sunday school.
Yeah, we were learning, man. Grammar class. Next email. Raga, I want to big up the hype woman who go far and go have her baby and pay the hospital bill and now them cancel her visa. Poopa Jesus. Tambourine. I which boss a girl run girl a fern girl have baby and a hype and a pay the hospital bill up there. You run we come back down here. Whoa. You have the picnic in a debt. Hold on there. Alright then. No, the email them a go on today. Them a go on. Next email. Ragamuwa, you pick up the girl we call my phone and I say me fi left for a man. And me and the man not there. She's a fool. If I did fear her, man, she would have know who to call. Don't she have a point, you know? And what's the hot Raga? The girl no look proper. She lean on one side like when donkey and overload. Papa Jesus. Why? I which girl I call her girl phone and I tell them to leave them man and them lean on one side like when donkey and overload. My girl, you overload on one side. Linux. Anyway, last email. Hello, Raga. My name is Kat. I live in the U.S. I was listening to you with a 19-year-old who like older woman yesterday. I wonder if he called on to what you were doing. That's why I enjoy your show. I love to laugh. Keep up the good work and God bless. God bless you too. And big up to all our proper listeners them right here in Jamaica. Una left out the thing and sitting. All right. We are going to have a phone mix up them now. Hold on there. Oh God, I remember before the show. I get two good phone mix up. I'm simple, but all right. But
Mama tell you, don't force it will come to you. As in, like.
Okay, Aristotle.
No, like.
All right, Socrates. All right, Agri-Irons. Counsel me. Don't force it. Let it come. Let it come. Okay, people, we're going to the phone lines right now. I want some shell-down phone mix-up or any other mix-up where you have and thing. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Ragashanti. God knows, finally made up on your show.
Mad.
Yes, all the while, me always say I want to call you every time I dial your number. When I hear your voice, me just hang up the phone and I dead with laugh.
You hear my voice and hang up the phone and I dead with laugh?
Yeah, me just right now, Raga, my heart a pump out of my body. Sometimes I hear the woman them call and I say, oh, you make them feel. Right now, I know where them I go to. Come here, talk and start a breath. Take me up, Raga.
Oh, all right, now listen to now. Envision this. I have both my hands on your heart.
Oh, God, Raga.
And I'm gently massaging your heart. And just like using the tips of my fingers and slowly...
No, Raga, stop it. It's a bit fast, I know. Raga, stop it. Raga, can I say stop it? You start it. Make it go harder.
All right, baby. So what you say, I know?
Yes, Raga, me have a little phone mixed up for you.
Rinse it.
Yes, me have a little man. About 5 years, me and him talk, right?
Yeah.
And him want youth with me.
Eh.
But right now, I'm not ready to go no more. You can't plan for 2.
Yeah.
Right? So 2 him can't get the youth and so him left and say, I got a country go sell.
Go sell what?
Sell clothes, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, clothes.
Nowadays, when people say them are going to sell, you have to say what them are selling, you know. Because it's sticky out there.
Especially down that side, the Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, him left and him and him brethren go rent a room down the countryside. So them are going to do little selling. Anyway, the room where them rent.
Hold on, stop there. We hear something in the background. Now, what? All right, go on.
Close the door.
Hold on.
Yeah, man.
Hold on. Your man move out of your house with you and go rent a room with him, friend?
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
Raga, you listen to the story?
Yes, man.
But them claim say a woman them a go look. Now sell them a go sell, you know, but a woman can say want a fresh start.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Anyway, them rent the room, Raga, and them a start out a little carpet on the floor and them buy a little bed and a put in the room and fix up the room. So one day, you know, me call him now and me a say, what make you left? Come back home now, we can make this work. And me a go try get pregnant then, which me that's on birth control, Raga, 7 years. And when me a do the things then, me that's on, baby, yeah. And so me a go on.
I hype him up, yeah.
Yeah, but him don't know the thing. Him don't know what's my lock off, my pipe lock off long time, you know.
See, then.
Anyway, Raga, me go call him and I talk to the man now and I beg him to come back home. Him thinks the same phone hang up when we done talk, Raga. Me hear my same friends say, yo, dog, the white girl no want do me so, you know. So I say, yeah, I'm going to start listening to the conversation, Raga. And I say, him say, yeah, man, dog, we can't left all the way from town and come down them side there with black gal, a white gal man, or a foreign man want go. So I say, oh. So Raga, me a listen closely. So me hear my sexy friends say, although you know, say any night me bring.
No, we cut it out.
Yeah. So
well, you know, say you shouldn't say that, right?
Yeah, man, I drive back before, isn't it?
No, you never drive back before. But we cut it out. We cut it out. Yeah. All right, then, cool. We understand. Okay.
Yeah, so me I say, me listen to conversation about the work, me Raga. And me listen to conversation and me hear him when I say to him, say, yeah, man, we don't want a big old one still, we want a young girl, and sing and we are meet them and kind of date them thing and go to IGB. We never know the IGB, them can just see and marry them at the same time.
Oh, so, okay.
So that me I hear so them can
but yes, so go down to the meat tight, you know.
Yeah, anyway, Raga me dedi and me listen to conversation. All me I try hang up the phone, because me really sit now when I'm a one.
Hold on. Your voice a mover from the phone a little bit, yeah? Your mouth, yeah.
All right. Mr. Raga, me in a heat. I say, all me I try cut off the phone. To make back the link, me can't cut off the phone. Anyway, the phone finally cut off. When me call the Mr. Man, him know, and me I say, so Wagwan, you willing to come back in a place for him? Yeah, man, me I come back in, come make you work. Me say, 4 hours after you married to the white girl on RGD. Mr. Raga, the man son idiot. The man say me, no, man, I know my advice here. I'm a dog that say that. I'm a nigga that say that say want a white girl. Me say no. I want all a plan how I go rotate the night them and you are go there so which night and him a go rotate.
Details.
All I know him can't come to say me really hear that. Them wrote the thing like that. Raga anyway, him left down at the countryside from August. Raga me lazy, me not tell a lie. Office me working at still. Me lazy bad, my nails them long like that. Me not like wash plate, me not go around the thing. Me will cook the food, but me not like wash the plate.
But you're straight up with it. So you're straight
me
up.
Straight up with it. Me not like wash the plate. Them Raga.
Then how you cook your food with the nails, and your nails them not dirty. So some dirty dumpling. A dirty dumpling you cook. A dirty dumpling you cook.
Raga, me not go around the thing. You say anytime me I need flour, him need my flour. Because me not tell no lie, me can't need the flour with it.
Him fi need your flour. That
yeah, but me pick out my rice, and me season up my meat, and me cut up my seasoning, and me blend up my juice.
Yeah, but, all right. But go down to him meat time matter now. So,
yes, yeah. Raga, anyway, Raga, him come up now, and me I trick him from them time, if him come back, so much say, you know, say, last time, me pregnant, Mr. Raga, that the man want here. Mr. Raga, too, me not like wash plate. Every morning, me sit before me come out of the house. Me just on Lord, me can't take the soap smell. Me feel bad. Me feel like me want choke.
Yeah.
And me just on, no, go wash the plate, man. And Mr. Raga, when me for wash, me just on, me can't take the soap smell. Oh, God, bad feelings that kill me. Mr. Raga, me have all the man all I wash clothes.
And it car, voila, we're going to go to some other car. Right, I know him think say you breed, don't?
No, me lose the baby now, Raga, so I plan to breed again. I plan a next pregnancy, you know. Mr. Raga, the furniture police bother me.
Furniture police
bother me.
Anytime, any work for do it bother you, don't it?
Any work in the house, it bother me, Raga.
Nah, man, you sound like Michelle. I saw Michelle.
Raga, anyway, let's go yourself. Last week, me did hear one call I talk about bike ride. Raga, that was my fantasy when I was a teenager. So, do the things them on a bike.
Yeah.
So, me not tell them, I go all out and me meet 2 bike youths. Raga, then no use. Me say, oh, you that's them on the bike and how them would have set the bike and set the bike. Me I say, yeah, so me I got set and them I got set me so and that's me so. Raga, nothing I got so.
Then pop down.
Pop down, Raga.
2 big time bike rider were full of hype and whatever. When you dash out the city, give them pop down. Couldn't deal with it wicked.
One in a Kingston, one in a St. Catherine.
See it there.
Right down.
See it there. All they can do is ride the bike and can't ride the woman.
Raga, and my fantasy that Raga. All I know, me yet to meet that somebody that to make that come true.
Wait, what you want? You want to start out on the bike or you want
like... On the bike, not riding the bike. You know, just park up.
Park up.
Just set me.
And just set you.
And just fix me, sir. And touch me, sir. Fling me, sir.
Why? Voila. Mad! Now worry yourself. Alright, listen to me now. Me I go buy a bike. Me I go buy a bike here.
No, rather, me I go buy one myself, man.
You go buy one?
Me I go ride it. I want the man from the back.
No, then
what
what?
you talk about?
No, hold on, man. What me I say to you, man? I am in the business of fulfilling women's fantasies. What you say?
Yes, Raga.
Eh?
Yes, Raga.
So we could have shot that thing on a bike one time.
Yeah, man, we could have shot that thing, yes.
All right, don't all me I do. Not tell nobody. All when the man at Phelps and Philip Commission come ask you, just tell him say you will not tell him what was in my brief.
I plead the fifth.
All right, then. Take care of yourself here.
I'll pick up yourself, Raga. Me not telling like I take me a while for me heart calm down. I can't believe me really talk to you.
Don't worry yourself, baby. Everything jiggy here.
Big up yourself, Raga.
Man. Yo, hey, you hear fear fantasy though? You know, we must do a topic on that. Fantasy, yes, man. I bet you would have hear the things them. Would have hired somebody who sit down right at the CGB. Right at the Cardell green button. Would have make somebody say, listen, your job is to just stay here until this topic is over. You're an intern for 2 weeks. No, we can't do it, you know. Some people have some fantasy out there, whatever. We can't do it, man. We can't do it. It's just that, it's like when they get all with the animal, them know, and them.
Pick up the fish.
The what?
The fish. You mix up with Nicky, man. The fish.
Oh. With the Philippine one, man, no.
The fish.
That is just so scary though, if you really think about it, you know. If you really think about it. The poor fish.
Lord God.
Why you laugh?
Out of the sea and...
Be careful. Okay, here. Phone mix-up or any other mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah. What's up?
Well, go on. I have a problem with the DJ where you talked to yesterday from over IrieJam.
Yeah, Master Chris, yes.
Because you're in Smile Jamaica this morning, right?
Yeah.
And he must say, like, anything happening in Jamaica affect them in a USA, right?
Yeah.
So why him going to jump on cartel? What to the 73 people who dead last year? What to all of the people who were on the road that suffer? Them things that affect them. Cartel decides to bleach himself, not anybody else. So that's not supposed to affect him. And my come on national TV come talk about anything happening in Jamaica. It affect them in a USA.
You are saying that the 73 people were dead down at Tivoli and West Kingston is a way more serious matter than Cartel choosing to bleach himself.
More than Cartel bleach himself. If Cartel want to bleach himself, that's his business. That's not supposed to affect DJ Chris over America.
Darling, I'm going to tell you something doing. And you are not saying that you condoning cartel bleaching. That's not the point.
Okay. I am a dietary Gaza fan and I don't bleach.
Right. So we just want people to understand what you say. Some people misinterpret what you say. But your point is you're a little bit peeved that people are going to give so much attention to cartel bleaching when there's so many other serious things that go on where, you know, you nobody and make up a big
exactly right.
Over a lower boat, you know, people over foreign. Let me tell you something.
The only thing he might do right now in Raga, the only thing he might do right now is to give Cartel something else to sing about and make some more money. Because I can't bet any money Cartel to sing about him. Take a very popular no time song. You remember the DJ boy, them sing from a name like Backpack Rag. You understand?
Yeah.
Anything them talk about him find something to sing about. They don't understand that.
Yeah, Bob Marley said that to him. He said, love wicked people can't give him things to sing about. Not that I'm saying Dub Master Chris is wicked.
Exactly.
I am not. Dub is my friend and thing. But one of the things I want you to appreciate though, and it is it's a phenomenon that is very strong in this country also. You have a lot of people out there who claim that they're looking out for the nation and they're looking out for children and so forth and things like that. And they're most vociferous and loud and passionate on matters that, at the end, you know, we're not saying those matters are not important, but they pale in comparison to some other big things that can really make a difference in this country. And you don't hear them say nothing about them things there. You don't hear them say nothing.
I'm trying to say.
It's true. I support you there, sir.
The lady asked him this morning, sir, okay, you're going to play Michael Jackson then. him say, well, Michael Jackson never really come out and say, I don't bleach. But Cartel, Michael Jackson never really come out and say, yes, I bleach. But Cartel say, I bleach, I'm in a business. What a difference? Michael Jackson bleach, everybody knows that Michael Jackson be black.
No, and you see, and there is where I'd have a problem with what Dobby said, because, and again, it's the same thing we have in Jamaica. One of the things I teach students when I was lecturing at the University of the West Indies, I'm saying, one of the problems with dancehall is that dancehall is too honest. Right? So true. Cartel, honest, you know.
Yeah,
you can't. No, him honest, you know. Him honest, you know. No. What I'm
to go in the politics.
No, what I'm saying is the distinction with the master Chris make. You know, it's just whatever. You hear him say, Michael Jackson never come out and say that, but Cartel come out. So what he's saying? No, hold on. What he's saying is that the facts are less important than how the person may present a lie, or whether the person is honest or the person that tell lie. In other words, people are more comfortable with a socially acceptable lie rather than to hear the truth that will make them uncomfortable.
Yeah, they love decent lie. They not like the raw truth.
And I see him thing right there, so in Jamaica. But blessings and respect for your reasoning, here.
Alright, big up Cartel in general, anyway then.
Alright. Yeah, the Gaza fans have locked to the things here, but I am categorically against bleaching people. I just want you to know. I am against bleaching. But do I have friends who bleach? Yes, I do. Do I walk around and judge them and batter them every day about it? No, I don't. Okay. Phone mixer, give me a next caller. Hello? Duppy, when you up on the line a while ago, go about your business, treat on your roll for your case. Here we go. Phone Mixup, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
I'm the girl where gave out, me know Mixup.
What?
Raga, the girl where they give him, me know Mixup.
Oh, yeah, remember that.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Yeah, me have 2 Mixup to give. Me wait so long, my $200 soon done. Yesterday, my husband take one taxi, I go work. And when he take that taxi, I go work. Like the man did call and say something we not to step on the radio. And one lecturer in the will take you on properly, you know, Raga boy, you know, educated, you know, my husband come and tell me, say, he hacked me. If I just buy me $200 credit for talk to you.
Well on. Take on who, me?
You, boy, you're not educated.
What lecturer from where?
Him say him come off of a youth take and the man say my lecturer that me was boy you're not educated. I mean, so a woman in there, the woman defend it and the woman want war with him.
Yeah, man. I not even better pay them no mind right there.
Yeah, me have a phone mixed up and me have a look mixed up for my sister. Big up to my sister.
Yeah.
Where our baby father, trick her, buy her 2 bottles of medicine, say a cold medicine and wash her out and breed her.
What you mean wash her out and breed her?
Yeah, her 2 black and she always a ball boy her belly.
Yeah.
Every time you see her fair belly, I hurt her. So him go buy bush. You know, the man in my town sell bush.
Yeah.
Just to clear your tube.
Yeah.
And him tell her say a different medicine. And every day him stand up over her, make she drink. And then when she drink, him stand up over her and say, you love complain, but you have sinus and you have this and that. Drink the medicine. And when she drink the medicine, that time I clear her out. And he end up pregnant her.
Well on. How would the backside here tell me say somebody can't clear out somebody? Anything goes so?
Of course.
No go so man. How you get that from?
Say her ears are 2 black and 2 she don't want no more picnic. She don't want clear it. Every day she a complain boy belly hurt her.
Darling, no go so. No go so. Nobody can clear tube with bush.
The man in there town with the bush medicine for clear it.
The man what them say that it clear your tube and make you can breathe.
Of course, it makes she can breathe though. Cause every day she wait till I forgot doctor for clear her tube. She don't want to go.
You are tell me some man a sell bush at town where breathing bush?
Yes.
Well on. Rude.
2 whole clot she drink off.
2 whole what?
2 whole quart.
Jesus, and you believe she choose to sit the go so no?
Yes, Ragan, I done my credit for me give the mix up, because I know.
All right, hold on, the root. Lock her right there, son. Papa Jesus, when you think you heard it all. Big up all of the woman, them right drink the breed in the bush. Michelle, you better careful of them bush the way you walk through, you know. Because you made them just go rub all by your foot before you know it, I think. A problem. Big up the breed in the bush, them at Jamaica, boy. We are all a break, we soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm wanting to call and talk up the team.
Mix up and blender family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know. And we want to keep it on the radio. So please me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say no. Hey, Raga, run the thing. Full of flame.
All right. Welcome back up in Ice Sitting. Welcome back up in Ice Sitting. We're there. Phone mix up with them, and I will go back to a call. I would say she have one more mix up for me. Send on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Raga, as I me get a mix up with the girl, I text me say no.
Yeah.
You know, say one night I'm sleep. I go on my bed in the night. I wake up in the morning. Someone jump me out of my sleep and say, search the phone. Raga says me search the phone and me first get the text message where the girl had send, I text him. Like she say, and I start out you, but she say, our time for you start me out. No. So me say, no, I'm back a text now and reply and say, yeah, man, a full time now, I'm ready, yes. Because my wife has stressed me, so she really feels I instant the text, you know. Anyway, me that go 3 miles. So I end up go with the phone now, because I say, I want to see the text, so she go reply. She a call the phone ID black no, me no answer, you know. Me a text my man, text me. But she a consistently a call. Anyway, I make my son answer the phone and I say, if you tell him, say him no there. Anyway, my son say I want girl. So me call back now, when me call back, when me call back the phone now, she, so me hang up, so she could have realized she and me. So she a text me, you know, and we a text trace. And me I say, so long.
Well, on a text trace.
Text trace, yeah, trace in a text.
Me know, but me never heard phrase so yet. The 200 did a text trace.
Right.
Text trace.
Anyway, me I tell her something and it's boner, you know. So me say, go and let a dog jump you because so long, and if him don't want it, him do not interested. Right?
Woof, woof.
She waiting him. So I say, me done see him last night and him tell me what to tell me and me and him done meet and know where I go. Anyway, me don't know if I lie or true. Me come home and me tackle him about it. He must say, nothing no go sign it. I fry and I pack up and say me I go away. When I go about my business, me want somebody call for ID block, but to my sister now I call for ID block, I say me I answer. When I answer me, I say, don't hang up. So I say, oh, this. She said, don't hang up. So I say, all right. I not hang up.
Well, you know, I notice how they call them around. I want to give you some lengthy story, man. And I mix up them one. Yeah, some mix up one. Yeah.
She make me know say she and him do not there. So she give me face that she know.
Yeah.
She make me know say she and him not there. And she beg him a call, search him phone, see my number. She like him as a secret admirer. She want in a things with him, so she a try to mash up me and him for him would have interested in her she.
Oh.
You understand?
So you are not reason good about that?
No, she, when him reach her work, it look like him quarrel with her and she call me and tell me everything how it go.
Oh, Zin.
So sometimes some of them have them both chat and so and nothing behind it.
For real.
I say in myself, say, I must plan them go work and plan.
Possibly.
To go that way there. That I might believe. I don't know if I'm right or I'm wrong.
Possibly. And fix it up away, you know? But,
I don't know if it's possible.
All right. I bung some of that call I do and thing here. Blessings and respect.
Rather than about the triple swipe for me tell us me to go call back, boy. You remember me get a mix up there?
Yeah, but, yeah.
Raga, I know say a stepfather, stepson and friend.
Stepfather, stepson and friend. I do what?
I'll do the triple swiping.
Hold on. The 3 man them, what did I do the thing?
Yeah, one of them a stepfather, one a stepson, and one of the stepson friend.
Hold on, you talk about the 3 man them, what then the whole of them talk? What then catch them talk? The gunman them?
Yeah.
One of them a stepfather, one a stepson, and one a friend.
Yeah.
And I do the things
From them time, they me a call you back, you know, every time me a call, my credit end up done.
Hey, you know what? What me just a connect with now, right? Are you did bust the mix up, you know?
Yeah.
Are you, right? Did you did bust the mix up?
Slimmers, man, a slimmers.
Yeah, man. Before we reach the papers and everything, you did tell me, so you hear about it and you go call back and give the recite.
But
You're
me
right.
a call back from them time, they me couldn't get through.
All right, give Root your number. Yeah, Root
me
have
a
your number.
do.
All right.
Slimmers, you see me?
All right, Slimmers, bless up here.
Yeah.
Stepfather, stepson, and friend. Three man, the three man, them are there.
Oh.
Deal with them one another. And when the crowd move to them just pop up their machine. Man, a gunman.
Oh. Oh, that. Okay.
Yeah. You have to you. A stepfather, stepson, and friend. Man. Yeah, man. Yo, three man, I do the things that I could go. Yo, where are the hands off? Talk to the machine.
No, you roll.
No, you roll. Slow your roll. Yo, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Afternoon, Raga.
Seki, what's up?
Yeah, Raga.
All right, well, going on. It's nice here. Always nice to hear your voice in a second. No lie. No lie. Talk up.
One man tell me so why even not come from work. So he said, stop one bar for you, and he buy one Guinness. So he said, you know, drink the Guinness, but he put his phone on the counter and turn to look at the road. When he look, you know, see the phone and you see the bartender. So he said, when the girl come back now, he asked the girl if he can take out the phone. She said no. And the girl look over the counter for the phone. So he said, one man come in at the same time. And he borrow the man phone and ring the phone and he get the phone and ring for the girl. The girl take the phone Raga and hide in the half-finished house.
Tambourine! Seki.
Yes, Raga.
The girl thief the phone and then couldn't find the phone. And when the man call the phone ring. And why you say the girl hide the phone?
In the half-finished house, Raga, it's say full of and build a night Jew when he take out the phone.
When he take out the phone
night
full of night Jew. The phone wet though.
Yes, Raga, I mean, you say what? I want to Mavado song and sing. You know, I'm if you take off the...
What?
The ringtone, I'm if you take off the pants. You said something like something, not Raga.
Yeah.
The ringtone, no.
At that time, ringtone.
Yes, Raga, I have in a half-finished house.
And she have the phone in her half-finished house.
Yes, Raga.
Then Seki now, tell me now. Why you say the house half-finished?
But Raga, Raga, if tight to the Raga, if she can put a phone in a almost half-finished house, Raga, tight to it. No window the night, no door the night.
Well, you said no window no night, no door no night.
The house of the leak.
The house of a leak.
The floor in the support, Raga.
The floor in the... Hey, you see, now me understand. Because I wonder why you call it half-finished house. So your point is, well, it's Mosa house if it can't well afford it.
Yes, Raga, Mosa house, Raga.
A Mosa house, but
Right.
it cannot be a completely finished house.
Right, Raga.
Because it don't have no window.
Right.
It do have no door.
Right.
And you said the floor, and you said the house stop a leak.
Yes, Raga.
A leak like pipe,
Right.
no.
It's just the inner also. And you full of a night Jew that me say the house of the leak.
House stop a leak, your
Right.
phone full of night, Joe. House stop.
Right.
Well, I never could take that time. Don't move a muscle second. Hey.
I mix up and blend that time. I want to call and talk up the things them.
Full of flavor, full of fun. Reggae jamming friends for everyone.
Reggae jamming Frankfurters. Full of flavor, full of fun. Pick up a pack today. The time by Reggae jamming Frankfurters is...
It's 15 minutes after 3 o'clock. Yes, second half finish house, man.
Yes, Raga.
Second. Well, so you mean say the floor? What you say about the flooring, I know?
At the port, Raga, the floor no good, neither, Raga. At the port.
The floor no good.
At the port.
Yeah,
all time out. Maybe but live in the cellar.
Yeah. Oh, is that second? Some girls tell them a hot girl and bat in them cellar, no?
Right.
Some girls tell have a hot girl on them roof and leak.
Right, Raga.
What?
Another seller.
Some girls still have a hot girl on them house to finish yet. No window, no door, nothing.
Raga.
Eh?
I said, one man doing things with one dumb girl. I say, dumb girl talking, Raga.
Talk, a second.
I mean, say, oh, look at me.
No, second. I want people to know we're not making fun of the disabled. With
No, Raga, I'm married man, Raga. The wife, I put your wife aside. Say, the wife about redundant.
Putting wife and redundant.
Say, the wife about redundant, Raga.
No, but second, the people them who have speech impediments, them always make sounds, even though them have speech impediments. But she never.
Don't get talk, Raga.
Wait, so what I'm saying is them always make sounds, So
the man talk like a ten, so no kill me. Look at me.
Oh, okay. Well, perhaps a profound connection was being made, which prompted the young lady to approximate speech in a way that she has never done before.
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
I'm going to big up Magnum Tongue.
You want to big up Magnum Tongue?
Yes, Raga.
You know, say me have a friend, I could have given him that name because I beer Magnum in drink.
Magnum. Yes, Raga.
Well, they're making name Magnum Tongue now, Seki.
The light take your eyes.
Well, I know. Hey, people, if you've been living under a rock and you don't know who we're talking to, this is Seki Bakami, and Seki Bakami is the queen of code. The imageries and the symbols that Seki use in our language will make you immediately know what she talk about, but it's just very unusual. So you said a man, he has a problem with him line stick now rise.
Nah, if you have to go, brother, good on back.
As it go up, so film line stick, in the ghetto people and country people, we have a stick we push up the line for dry the clothes. You say film line stick can't push up the line, right?
Brother, good on back.
As it go up, so film line stick will dirty up clothes, no?
Right.
Yeah. So why? So if him line stick can't go up, him come forget the name Magnum Tongue.
You top thing Magnum Raga, you say when drinking the Magnum, you say tongue can cut in the sheet.
Tambourine! Well, you say when he drink the Magnum, in tongue gets so sharp it can't cut any sheet. Magnum Tongue, man.
Yes,
it's like the Magnum give him tongue a power.
Power, Raga, nice.
A piece of power, there, man.
10 long, 10 strong.
Tambourine, what you said, 10 long, 10 strong.
Yes, Raga.
Yo, the people of Magnum supposed to listen to a king over here now. 10 long, 10 strong. You understand? So it look like when him drink Magnum, him line stick no go, but in tongue. Well on, in line stick no go, but in tongue get hard though.
Yes, Raga, I say in tongue get hard. I say it's sharp like in the scissors, Raga.
Yes, man. Cut any sheet.
Yes,
probably I'll cut them ticks on the sheet. Then when I put on bed in a ghetto, then tick one with the big embroidery in a middle.
Right, and give me a name, Magnum Tongue. If you drink and it will line and it will tongue, then I say name Raga Magnum Tongue.
It don't help him. It don't help him close line, but it help him tongue.
It's as the land goes, as the land Raga. IrieJam.
Okay, as it go up, it come back down.
No, it can't reach the light post at all.
Can't, oh Lord have mercy and thing. But you can't say it and make the effort do.
Right.
I make the effort do. Make a look at budget. Magnum Tongue him name. So some man a drink Magnum and them a get tongue harder.
Right.
Okay. Now okay. Poopa second. Why? Me know say all my enemies who are listening to this, them and I still a fight against them, just a laugh a little bit. No, let me tell you how them a laugh now, Seki. How them a laugh. This is so disgusting. They need to get this out. This is the foolishness. This woman is outrageous.
I can't take it. Oh my God.
Seki, you know, so then just turn out the radio. You know, Seki, you know, say people who don't like me, I want to get to a show. I bet you any money they like you.
They not like me, Raga. They not like me, Raga.
No, man. They like them quietly like you, Seki.
You see, sir?
No, Seki, Seki, I wonder if you realize how you think them poetic. Yeah, I wonder if you realize how you think them just full of vibes and Seki, you never give me a boring call yet, you know.
Monday Raga, me hear people call her boring. We think say she burn me, see Raga. We talk about balling mix up and I'm going to give you all dead mix up them moving a gas cool and everywhere there.
Yeah.
I didn't cry. Every time I mix up Raga and then I tell her, just come me done it for you.
Pie. Brap. Rinse the clip.
Seki. So me can't get through, you know.
Seki,
yes,
you know enough people always enough people don't know how you get your name. Oh, me configure the name Seki back on me based on something where I mix up what you did tell you. I think I first mix up you tell me, you know.
Yes, Raga.
Tell me about the pastor, what the pastor a deacon.
One deacon, Raga.
Tell me about that one there.
Me have something at church, we have a rally.
Yeah.
I mean, ask him money if he put that in the envelope. But then say, if he give me, I have to give him first.
Right.
So me tell him yes.
Yeah.
So when he come, Raga, me tell him what's going on back at the house. And me tell him to walk through the walk and corner.
Well on. Again, sorry, it was a deacon or a pastor?
A deacon, Raga.
Deacon, right.
And when time me,
so he run at the house back now?
Yes, Raga, take off his and clothes and we come, Raga.
Hold on. Take off what? Which part and clothes?
Well, everything, Raga. Me say, what's take off everything, Raga? I say, me not do that, no.
Then him cannot go get shot out the house back and take off the whole I'm clothes.
Take off, Raga.
What you must do is just drop your pants and keep on your shoes and I look back and make sure nobody now look. Him an idiot. Go on.
Take off everything, Raga. And me tell him, soon come. And me say, Raga, him have one bucket of water up on the house up with cement tonight, you know, man.
Hold on, stop right there, sir. A bucket of water with cement tonight.
Yes,
so why you put the cement tonight?
Evidence, Raga. When you go to my wife, office say, come from somewhere, you see it?
Oh, because when you throw the cement water, it's hard for wash off. It just can't camp on you, don't?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, yeah.
And when you tell me today, say, Raga, you have the light stick up, flap. Raga, it can't move, you know.
What?
The light stick, it's dead as.
Hold on. Oh, when did that box up the line stick?
Yes, Raga, you say, Raga, why you flap like a damn breed of blow ladder bag.
And people on the north coast where Seki is from, ladder bag is the same thing we call scandal bag in the southern part of the country. Okay, we have regional differences. Thank you. We may be small, but we have regional differences. So you set him a box up the line stick. I try to get the line stick to come up, and it sound like where you box up scandal bag.
Yes, Raga.
So you the part what you do? You go on the house stop now. But no, go on talk.
And when I throw water upon him, Raga,
yeah.
Put up your hand and he says, "Set the back of me." In a spirit, set the back of me.
Sack the back of me.
Yes, Raga. and he run Raga and go home. And we just carry clothes and go show give your wife, Raga.
Then he run one near kid Seki.
What you mean, Raga? Raga, it's a bit of man she may send the kid after Raga yard near kid.
What you say, Seki, what?
It's a bit of man make after Raga yard near kid.
Oh, because, yes.
Oh, so one night, one man left from church and Raga to come up and yard, I look sitting in a Raga. When I wait him, he saying, he run like any thief and you have a bad foot to him, I know he run to him.
He have a bad foot?
Yes, Raga, married man to him.
Married man and run by the bad foot, no?
Yes, Raga, and then in the front of church, because to go back to church. I wait him, see, Raga.
Him left church to come shut a sort out for him for go back to church.
Raga. And he went to church. I mean, wait him, me know what he wife say.
Seki, that you call recess?
Yes, Raga. How are you?
Just go well a snack and come back, you know.
Cream.
Why? But and people don't know. People say I'll tie up man pan tree and all them something there, you know. Cast man like you catch cow and calf.
I mean, Raga, when I went down, me I want Raga to work with me. I never find billion a year, you know.
What that?
In billion a year.
What about him billion a year? What?
In time of Raga, he want me cook rice and peas game.
Yeah.
And me cook the rice and peas game. Because your wife can cook, when your wife cook, he can bring out the water tight.
When your wife cook rice and peas, yes, you can wring out the water tight like a cloth, no?
Yes.
Yeah, you give him job for it.
Yeah.
So when you give him 10,000, him give back all 5 out tight.
Yes, Raga, it's Jerusalem and he can come and
then how he confesses Jerusalem, Seki?
Raga, I'm making look.
You what?
Sit down making look.
You sit down making look?
I mean, my 10,000, you're lucky. You got to pay.
So, Seki, remember that the fella never used to talk, but we don't talk to him. He have one term and say, Raga, she did sit on bad. So, Seki, you did sit on bad, I make him sit down.
Raga, make him sit up on the office. Raga from a store in my office. I'm making look Raga.
Yes, man. He look until he see Jerusalem.
He said, Lord, my shepherd, I see what I want.
And when you give him the 10 grand, he just give back for.
Don't say look.
Mad. You see, the 5 for one look after Jerusalem.
One look after Jerusalem.
One look after Jerusalem.
I can't come for
Glory. I know say Jerusalem, I promise land in him. Oh, Lord, man. Lead the flock, man. I must say Moses.
If I'm going to get the coffee shoes.
Seki, you kill me. Seki, you're the boss. Remember me tell you. Nothing no come by that show you could like you. Nothing. Nothing no fault by that show. No, say a word. Here, Seki. Blessings, man. Blessings. Seki, you're the boss. Hey, Emily. I hear Seki call and Seki never have a boring call.
That's not true.
Never, not even one time a boring call. You understand?
Seki, you're the boss, man.
Yeah.
Somebody make her important. Cavi stay good, right? She said, as someone knows Seki and a lie, you know, because she remember mix up them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. When you ask people to repeat back the things.
Details.
And,
yeah, man.
And I
Seki
see
the boss,
they tell me the mix up. The first mix. And that's how Seki get her name, you know. Seki said when she chew the cement water upon the deacon down the house back away, the spirit reach and Seki back coming. Seki back coming. You can't imagine him there with the line stick there at job and Seki back coming. I'm frightening. You know. All in a female and I don't pay I take him round here. All in a female and I don't pay I wet him up round there, you know. I easy off it up, you know. I easy off it up. But see, I'm a cut and clear. Seki back coming. Seki back coming. Get me behind me straight. Seki back coming. Oh, poor Jesus, if I laugh, I cramp up in that to them. Take your sample, man. Okay, we can take a call before we go for a break. Yeah, give me a call. Hello?
Hello, Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings. My call from Luxembourg.
Luxembourg?
First, my call.
Luxembourg, you call from?
Yes.
Man.
Luxembourg.
I get some echo here, so what I true you call from far, but go on, talk.
Yeah, anyway, I mix up with one of my friends.
Yeah.
So, anyway, him say him feel like him have a headache and him say he want to come home early. So, anyway, him reach home early and as him open the door, him say him hear him wife and make certain sound. So, as him come in now, he must say, Lord God, look like I want a man in here, enough. So, Lord God, I have to go take my bath now and go start with the two living at the bathroom because the son come from the bathroom.
Okay.
So, now the man now bust the bathroom door and go in. When you go in, you know the man say, the woman make the shower head a swipe her.
She make the shower head a swipe her?
Yes, Raga.
No, you know, so that is not unusual. A lot of women do it.
Well, Raga, anyway, still me never know about it until him tell me still. So me surprised, so me I laugh and I say, Lord God. So he must know, him say to her, I say, baby, so when I say in there, make the shower head a swipe here. So I say, boy, I never expect you home so early and me feel for a swipe, so we just have to make the shower head go and take over your job until you come home.
No, man. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, but me never know about it as my collector me inexperienced anyway. So now me say, alright, me I go try it one day. But rather, me not tell a lie. Me get proper swipe, you know, but the shower head swipe bad, it shell down. It not tell a lie. When time me swipe me vibrate faster than a BlackBerry phone. I'm not telling a lie.
But here I know, you have to get the shower head them we can change in a different velocity and level. Right.
Yeah, man, a proper shower.
No, and I recommend couples to when they not play around, like the man can do it to the woman too. A husband can do it to his wife. The ladies like a long time woman do them things. I bet if you look on the wall and a whole heap of woman are gonna say them things. Long time woman turn on, but it have to be both people shower. It can be.
Yes, right.
They get the one they not really work. The one that would just beat it to a pulp and think, that water's come out like pipe.
Really all
right, bless. Yeah, man, blessings. Yeah, blessing. Yeah, hold on, Chigan.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go.
Hold on, stay on the line because I just want to ask you something. We'll come up. Emily, what with you?
Yeah, big up Germany.
No, hold on, we'll come back to you, man. We'll come back. Stay on line. Root makes you stay on line.
All right.
Emily, what with you? What, eh?
You know, shower pipe. get a shower pipe, and we say 1 gauge.
Yeah, one gauge. You just come on hard. You know, you can't have no get creative. It will mash it up, man. Okay, well, I break with so far.
I mix up and blend that time. I want to call and talk up the team them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in Sydney. And before we make some mention, I think, back to a caller. Yes, caller.
Yes, Raga.
Well, on there, tell me something. What you do at Luxembourg? If you don't mind me, I fast. If you can't tell me, what you do over there?
I'm married, Raga. I have a good up man from Luxembourg.
Mad. Congratulations. How long you married?
Well, we just married the other day, from December gone. We just might get married, but we up here from, we just back and forth.
Yeah.
But we come back in December and get married, yeah.
But you sound like what? You sound like what now, man? You sound article and things.
Yes, of course, we are Jamaican.
No, I mean Jamaican, but you know, say you have some Jamaican them to do. But what me I say is, you sound, or you manage up there like a girl who, you sound like, you're street smart and so. Or you manage in a Luxembourg, with a change of culture and how things different and all them something.
Well, Raga, I have many different personality and I know how to adjust myself, Raga.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Just deal with it wicked, just do my thing. You get what I say?
Are you happy there? You like the place or you get depressed and homesick?
Well, you know the truth, I get homesick sometimes, but up here, it's proper. On the things that sometimes, so the weather is kind of rough and still.
Oh.
And you have to speak Luxembourgish, German, you have to learn different language, French, Luxembourgish, and German, because that's a popular language.
What is Luxembourgish? Yeah. What is Luxembourgish? What?
Luxembourgish is a mixed language between German and French.
Right.
Their own language, yeah.
You know, so most of them people they find them little bit in high school. I come up, them can't speak both languages fluently.
Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, man, because the two of them are the same, but Luxembourgish just have 200 different words out of the German vocabulary. So basically, say at the same thing, but like in a German, would I say ish, them say esh. Ish mean I, them not say ish, them say esh.
You know what I like about you? You go over there and you start learn the language already and you keep yourself busy. You not sit on the work list and listen to Vibes Cartel alone.
Rather, do that money that over here to make when time you are working, and if you can't see the people them good language, you can't make up them good money. So me not come over here to sit down. Me know some home there Jamaica, and me have to start out and I come back on my yard. Me not come up here come get like a daisy.
I like your attitude. Because me not lie. If you go spend out several years over there married and then come back and wear 2 pop down slippers, we are going done you.
Of course, and if you don't become with a workers, who deserve to come back at Jamaica.
Brap. I hear me now. I want you to support your man and help your husband and think make him be successful too as he supports you, here?
Yes, brother, of course. Me a good girl, you know to take care of man. So we get a girl.
Yeah.
Get a girl know to take care of them man properly.
Okay.
You don't know, so them love after Jamaica and them over here straight.
Oh, then, the talk you got you know, I will leave a man over there look you down.
I mean, because, you know, so because me a black girl,
yeah.
nice, pretty black girl, them eat and them flirt and them whatever still, but my man alone needs to, because I not tell a lie, I him, make me there here, and I take care of me good, and them way, so I'm this my man,
Okay.
My husband, I'm loving straight, so no man can take him place, but them can always look.
Okay,
good, yeah.
Me not fast too much and thing, but your husband are Chinese, white, black, Indian, or
no, man, I'm a white man, you tell us I'm a Luxembourg, so that means that I'm white.
No, you have some black people born in Luxembourg too.
That's true.
Yeah. So me never want to jump to the conclusion. Me never want to jump.
I'm white, man, I'm white.
Then anybody did, when, so you get married at Jamaica?
No, we married over here.
Okay, then anybody see him come, when last him come Jamaica?
Him come Jamaica, long time now, that's a long time. But I mean, me mostly come because him having work. So
okay.
Them can't really let them job. Them only get like 2 weeks holiday per year, and you understand?
Oh, right. So I work hard for you and I hold it for you.
I work hard to take care of him, good up, girl.
Sure, good man. I take care of him and thing and whatever.
Proper.
Oh, what's that?
Nice meals, nice Jamaican meals, and give him nice body massage when him come in, kind of do hard work, Give him nice massage them, take care of him, make sure him not feel no pain.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a good up with the baby, you see.
All right, and I just want to say that this sound like a stereotype and whatever, but I just want, you know, you're a husband and wife, so we can't talk about anything. Don't you start out and mad him? You never get nothing like that.
I'm not tears again, man. Me I tell you every time we make it starting out, man. Tears are running down his eye, man. He must tell me how he love me, and he must tell me that I am greatest gift for earth, rather. But even him, the proper starting out.
Yo, when you give the start out and dash it up for the wicked boy, ball, I say, I eat this.
Yeah, man.
Hallelujah. I am found.
Yes, rather. I just have to deal with him for the back. You know, zigzag and turn it and them way there. Yes,
No, you never give him the zigzag. You give him the zigzag.
I don't mean,
What is the zigzag?
Raga, you have to see to understand it, Raga.
Okay. Listen to me. Are your husband? Done him. Give it to him.
You have to done him and give him it.
Make him ball. Yeah, man. Full him belly with a good Jamaican food and then walk you off him back. That's what we say.
Work him out. Burn the calories after.
Burn the calories after. And listen now. Why you know say we there to keep your company so you can get a little piece of Jamaica same way now even enjoy yourself.
Because I have a friend in Germany too.
Yeah.
He might want white man over there too, and every night we link up together on the computer and we are listening to your show. That's why we don't like when the stream go down. You see, I got to make sure your maintenance department are where to keep up the style.
All right, no man.
It will depend on every time. You see how late it be, and we know we 6 hours ahead of us still. So we have to depend on the show. I want to sleep, but we are listening to want you mix up and want you are going down our country.
Yeah, so about what, 20 to 4 over there, 20 to 10 over there now?
Yeah, man.
Somewhere around this.
20 to 10.
Okay. All right, listen, and just safety and protection, and honestly and straight up now, we wish you all the best, you and your friend and thing, and we just wish you God's richest blessings, and may your marriage grow, you get stronger, you be successful and prosperous in life, and may good things just go on for you and your family and everybody, here?
Yes, brother, blessings, manners and respect. As we say, one day thing, now watch you got to eat them because you have to make it because you're good. You bless you from the ghetto, and you have to make it. So make them go on.
Tambourine. Blessings, here, cool. Malika. Yeah. Malika. Shereel. Malika.
A good girl, man.
Yeah, man, Malika. And let me tell you something. Sometimes women understand, and them things are those looks and sort. We like sort out. I would like good looking for him. But you have some woman, you know, for example, them when them get that, them get tap man, them claim them get man with them call tap man. Mm-hmm. And all them give the tap man is looks and sato. No idiot them there. Mm-hmm. If a tap man, then looks and sato supposed to come like nothing to him. Exactly. You see, she go over there, she tell about the 200 words from which language, and one say it's an ambitious girl. Ambitious girl.
Believe it or
that
not.
is sexy. That is sexy.
What most females don't understand, like, say a man like that marry a Jamaican and bring them go over there. Them no want no woman who are going to just sit down and like, if him say, alright baby, come learn the language, I go say, this you bring me come one, go on. When you bring me come here for like say me can talk the language.
I
don't understand them. You put yourself out there and you meet him halfway and you compromise. A man will always appreciate a woman that will go the extra mile.
Don't even say compromise. It's not compromise. It's expanding.
Reggae in your moment, man.
No, compromise implies
I know about that expanding at the studio. You
compromise implies that you do something where you really want to do. You understand what I say? And you make a sacrifice. Like, no, it's not even compromise. It's an opportunity to grow. If you get a good man or a good woman, it's an opportunity to grow. Yeah. Again, if you get a good man or a good woman, it's an opportunity for you to grow as a team. And you don't sit on there like a damn nasty parasite. I say you get a good man and you don't sit on a walla and a good
after 1 year, you still a sightsee.
Yeah, after 1 year, you still just buy one bag of clothes. Or you still take the woman for granted.
Or all you know a esh.
You know esh or whatever. You understand that? You understand? Hey, you have some people, you know, you can't who have good man and good woman. And you see if you ask them like, how you know you have a good man or a good woman? Well, I know, man. Them go into details and tell you how that person is good enough. You see, when you say to them, say, can that person say the same things about you? Well, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, some woman. Oh, you know you have a good man. Him caring and him whatever, and him work hard, you see, and him ambitious, and in all of my needs, and him take care and whatever. And when my belly hurt me, him this and that, and and this and that, and this, I know what him do for me, and this and that, and I say, you know, say you just reel out a bag of things why him is a good man. You think him can reel out a bag of things why you're a good woman? Why him would I say? I'm not cooking food, I'm give him good starter, one more. Dear media. Dear media, them. You understand? And ladies, but tell you, I tell you the last time, not the last time, but just before I go to the car. All man attracted to looks and sato. All man attracted to looks and sato. Looks and sato alone don't keep man.
Oh, one more thing before you go.
Hold on. Looks and sato alone don't. The only way to keep man is unless is a desperate, ugly Zutopek who can't get nobody and then just lacking, with a one there and this and that. But looks as all man attracted to looks and sato. But good man, you see the good man them too? Looks and sato alone don't keep them. They will love it and like it and whatever and this and that. You talk to any man out there and ask him, say, you're there with that woman a long time. Well, the first thing, hey, you know, when me and she go through, you know, man, she did it for me and whatever this and that. And them always I go do some bag of other things why them not left them woman. Same thing with some woman who have a good man.
In reference to it, I say, a friend once said to me, say, you know, if you ask a man, or you know, say him have a good man, him not go just tell, say, you know, so the start out good, him go in the details.
Yes.
But you know, like, say somebody on the side, that's all he will say about her.
Yeah, but on the side.
Say a good man, him will go in the details.
Yeah. Sometimes people don't understand that auntie, you know. But anyway, to the phone line. Phone Mixup per any other Mixup. Phone Mixup per any. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
Yes, Raga, what's the way you take long to come?
Eh?
You take long to come here?
You know, so me not take too long. Most of the time, sometimes I try hold back because I tell the God truth. Me a boy, me think about dead dog and all them something more time when me don't want to talk. Me not lie, me think about cemetery. Me think about work. Me think about traffic jam and all them something there. In order for to reach a point. Me not lie. Me have to fight it. Me have to work.
Okay, anyway, I got two mix-up.
Yeah.
The first one is about my baby father. That's this is when we just start talk.
Yeah.
So me normally go down to him house. So one evening we go down there and he give me him phone say, batch dead. The phone like I asked you know, batch dead. Some for charge the scene. So I'm going to house. So me have before me I say, come like God, I ask him to do something now. So I'm plugging in the phone, start to turn on the phone a long time, going on the message, start search. Then me see a message in there about girl that said him take about sort out. Oh, she like the sort out and it good and she are going on details too, you know. I said text her up my head, the wicked Raga. I said, and I also see and I wait till him come in. I mean just have minutes them come out and I take hours to come. Finally him come in. So I say, come here, sir.
Hold on. You're the near a fan? Fan?
No.
Okay, to hear some breeze in my phone. Go on, talk.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So I say, from here, sir, you do nothing with anybody else. So I say, no, sir, only you, man, and whatever. So I say, you're too lying, tell me truth, man. Still I deny it. So I say, so what kind of text this and who names so and whatever, I might explain to her time. So I say, no, I just here because it's data and everything. Anyway, we did a cuss, so I reach home. So I reach home now, yeah, me look like I got earth up his head now. I was right, send him a text, I say, oh, me start out with somebody and all nice and all the things. So him see me next year. What kind of text that? Is it me, where me vex me forgot say me that say my woman things.
What you say what?
Me I say my woman thing, period.
Yeah. So what you say? What you say? Me not understand the last part.
Yeah, cause me when me go home, cause me leave a female house now and go home back. So me send him a text, me start out to do a man and me enjoy.
Right.
Because that's him and them stuff there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, then bless you. Okay. I eat that. Well, I never told she said. No, not two mix up to this she have. Oh, okay. All right. Next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
The lady will call you about the bush and yeah, tell her say no. what she's telling is she right, you know. It's not everything you know, you know. You have a bush name.
Hold on, stop right there, sir. Stop. Me no want the face to this, but it's not everything me know.
I know everything you know, Raga.
No, but what I'm saying, I never...
Listen me.
Stop. Where in that conversation me tell us me know everything?
Listen me.
No, me asking.
You were
Yes.
saying that not no goes on a bush, not there.
All right, stop right there, sir. If me say not no go so, no bush, no wait name them, whatever this and that. How that translate into me knowing everything? What you're saying is illogical. Better you tell me, hold on, better you tell me, say, hold on. Better you tell me, say, me don't know about that. And then you make your argument. But don't say me, I go like me know everything. Because I don't know everything.
Listen, Raga, all right, listen.
No, me not let you go till you understand what me say. Tell me. How will you get that dopey laughter from? How will you get that? I love that laughter from me trying it. No, that laughter, man. Yo, let me shut it again. I like it. Anyway, tell me about it.
I have a girlfriend from down there, I get her from Jonestown. And she did the way up in her age and she couldn't get pregnant. And she go, you have a bush named Dark Blood.
Yeah, me.
Mad.
What dark blood do?
You drink it.
You can't say that word there.
Sorry, darling. Sorry, baby. Sorry.
All right.
You take it and it clean your out. It clean you out inside of you. Clean you out. And you see when you go do so, bop, that's it. Yeah, man, it's mad, man.
Hold on. Dark blood, if a woman is having problem getting pregnant.
Yes.
Hold on.
Yes.
And if the problem with getting pregnant is related to what? What is a blockage or something?
Yes.
Wow. Blockage of what?
Like, say, for instance, you can't get pregnant. You want to get pregnant and you can't get pregnant. And one time, like when your thing come and like it,
right.
You know, pain and stuff like that.
Right.
You just buy the bush, you go right down the market, they say you buy the bush and you boil the bush. And you have others people who boil it and sell it in the bottle.
Right. No, I know. You see, and what the bush do?
Clean you out.
What it clean out?
Clean out whatever inside of you.
No, me just want...
Whatever inside of you.
No, but just help me to understand what exactly it cleans out
whatever
in order
inside of you, whatever blockage inside of you. Whatever causes the blockage inside of you. You know, sometimes, you know, say, ladies, when them thing, it's month time, you know, say,
right.
In a pain and stuff like that, that situation.
So wait, do it clear the channel where the sperm?
Right,
hold on, where the sperm go up towards the egg or something like that?
That's right, because remember, son, I want to drink it the morning time, and I drink it every day in the morning. Have tea, I drink, you know. No. Tea, I drink.
Look, just so you know, I don't want you to believe that I am saying that I don't believe in our traditional remedies.
Yes.
Right? Some of them really do what them say them do, and some of them don't do what them say them do. Me and you know that, right?
Yeah, man.
So me not denounce it. And me mama grew me on BCT, and me say BCT work. Nobody can tell me say BCT no work. You understand? And me, my mama grew, and me, fever grass a morning time. You understand?
I might bush and
all right. And you say, well, look, sir, sit there and then sit there. So you never hear me denounce our thing, them, whatever. But at the same time, me and you know, say you also have instances where Jamaicans give credit and capabilities to certain things when I go so. Okay? So, but basically, you as a dark blood can help. In some cases, dark blood can help a woman to be cleaned out before she can get. That will help her to get pregnant.
Yeah.
Okay. And you say it mad.
It's bad.
Bad. Bad dark blood. I love the laugh.
Later.
Yeah, man, you take care. Yeah. Aye, boy. Hey, I love my callers. I love my... Hey, Tambourine family, I rate you. That me answer, I rate you. We love a dialogue, we love a style, and we love how we keep a thing real, and we learn from one another, and we correct one another, and all them things there and so forth. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
I'm Raga.
Me no know.
Hello?
I know you.
Oh.
I know you.
Yeah,
What you mean? You are know you. You are know you. You,
yes, I'm Raga.
You are you. Pinch yourself. Pinch yourself. Pinch yourself.
Why? Raga want to get a ball mix up with myself.
Yeah.
Mr. Raga has his boyfriend, right?
Yeah.
So, long time I know him and, you know, buck up back and say, yeah, we're going to do the things then. So, Raga, I say, me and the man name was Raga, and my daddy a romance boy and Raga, no started.
Yeah.
Just romance me, a romance him. Raga, me uncle say, the man get up and lift me up and say, I don't feel it. Raga, laugh. So now, my laugh.
One time, I have it bring up and I say, girl, away, you think I'm mad, you come at me. You think you're going to come at me. You think I'm mad, you come move from your son, go away. You're not mad me. You're not mad me. The girl sit down and look at me like me is a madman to that. I said, go away. I said, no man, hey, sometimes some woman know if you do this, hey, some woman know if you like when they kiss her, when they touch her. It fly up in your head, you know, you feel like you go mad, you know, like you get, like you turn, like you get crazy and, oh, me just say, I'm not going to I'm not going to move, go away. You think you go mad me?
I don't know the night. So in the morning, no, we get a person, no, so I have to match the work. Mr. Raga, so I'm done, Raga. The boy start ball like a baby. If you see me, I hush him, hush.
Well, on.
But me sure that in the Raga, so till water start to come down on my eye.
Well, on. I know the big lad start out this happen.
Yeah.
So wait, when they start out sweet, him start ball.
Yeah, he just start ball and me hush him, I say, what do you? Hush. Put him on my shoulder and me start ball too.
You see, I tell him about when somebody a ball and they just connect with the right time and start ball. Then you know the big... No, well on. Then, you did, so you never uncomfortable with your man a ball, me?
No, but me no know come here say what me team me know. Me no know what him Raga kind just stop and start ball. So me say what do you? And him just a ball.
No man.
What do you?
Hey.
And him just a ball. And me hush him and me say tell me what do you? No tell me what do you?
Alright, well, when me want to ask you now.
Yeah.
You see, there's two main things we can cause people for balling in them circle.
Yeah.
It can be just that they start out just shot. Or two, it can be that, you know, say sometimes when you feel a deep love for somebody and you start out, you don't even have to do nothing dramatic or crazy, you know. It's just that love they can cause an outpouring, make you all ball, you know. Which one do you think him did I feel?
Well, if he's I love Raga, come and say, he might go left him woman, he might go married to me, he might go move, go live in my house. I'll be a things in my face.
No, man, a good work that, you know, man. Yo, we have Punsi.
Hey,
we have Punsi.
You
We have
know,
Punsi. The song Punsi.
After that, I had 3 days straight. In cover me yard one day, and the man just sit in there, set and just start bust out the ball in again.
Well, on. In the come here and sit down and set you in a ball, so.
He come and sit down, he just start bust out the ball.
Then how long do you and him did that talk up to that point there?
Many times, I know from a little I grew up. But we did mix up in a community.
Yeah.
We move out.
Yeah.
And then we end up go buck him up back and then we start come close.
Okay. No, sir, it look like, boy, I don't know. You see, sometimes all them think that reaction in them could all go through hell in a film relationship and then you just represent like, you know, a release.
I'll be a ball man, but...
Anyway, blessings and respect here.
I rather big up Fanwall. I Shelly this song Fanwall. Shelly nice in our eye them for know. Yo, Fanwall, big up on yourself.
Mad. All right, blessings and respect, auntie. Yo, no man, sometimes, I'm telling about the brother, we get some good start out, and when the start out connect with him and him start ball, one boxing get the woman, you know. I talk about say the woman must say, oh, be him hard time, because him never ball pan start out yet. Him never ball pan a walk. That way, hey, girl, what you do me? Me a ball, me this feel good, the way you go, screw, take man feed you. Bad people, news time. Yo, the thing with George, Mr. Davis, can I ask you a question, please? When I was in college, I heard people say Mubarak, and here I'm hearing people say Mubarak. I hear people stressing the mu here, and I'm accustomed to hearing people stress the ba. You're a learned man in this era. which is it the first syllable that is stressed, or is it Mubarak or Mubarak?
It's Mubarak. The pronunciation that you've heard is the CNN, the Fox News, the ABC. That's the American kind of pronunciation.
Right. Okay.
So even if you listen to the African correspondents from that side, you take your cue of pronunciation from them, especially the ones who are
BBC,
who are Arabs as well.
Arabs as well.
Right.
Arabs as well.
Right.
Yeah, well, you can't miss.
Can't miss with those.
Arab speak Arab,
Right.
and then Arab know if you talk Arab name.
Yes.
Right. And they say Mubarak.
Mubarak.
Okay. You know what? I just learned something today. I stand corrected. And everybody, no longer should you say Mubarak. We strongly advise you to say Mubarak. New star.
I mix up and blend that time. I want to call and talk up the thing.
Mix up and blender family. You don't know we love no call them, no. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, yeah. Welcome back up in the Mixup and Blenda, sitting the Mixup entertainment thing with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all listeners all over the world. Phone Mixup with upon any other sample, shell down, turn up Mixup. Phone Mixup or any other sample, turn up. Proper. Good so. Steer so Mixup. You see it? To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Margaret. It's my first time calling.
Okay.
I'm really nervous. My heart is pounding so fast and hard.
That's okay, sweetie. But don't you worry yourself because you're speaking to Uncle Raka. So you have nothing to fear. Where are you calling from? We're hearing a foreign echo in the phone. The phone line.
I'm calling from Bulgaria.
Papa Jesus, where you do them? Where you do the girlfriend? Where you do over Bulgaria?
Oh, because I'm married, I live with my husband.
Well, you never know the caller we call from Luxembourg.
Oh, no.
Oh, a different something that. Okay.
Yeah, I just tried. I was calling you like over a month now. I've been trying to call you.
Oh, I'm sorry, darling.
My first time.
Okay, what are the neighboring countries with Bulgaria?
It will be Macedonia, Greece, Turkey. Those are the nearest.
Macedonia, Greece, and Turkey.
Turkey, yeah.
And over that side there, you're there.
Yeah.
Bulgaria. But talking about Bulgaria, I don't mean to sound corny, but when you're in Jamaica, you used to eat bulga.
Yeah, I love bulga porridge.
Big up bulga porridge. All of them get up people that say, hey, for bulga. Anyway, so what's up? Talk to me, I know.
Nothing. I don't really have a mix-up for you, but I just want to tell you that I meet my husband over the cell phone.
Over? How that did happen? No, that did happen.
It's a long story, like over 2 years ago. You know, I was calling my uncle who was living in New York because my husband is also an American.
Right.
And I was calling my uncle who lives in New York, and I accidentally dialed his number, and we started talking from there.
You accidentally dial theme number and you just
start... accidentally, like, I was supposed to dial 4 for the end part of my uncle number, but I dialed like 2, and then I got through to him, and from there we started talking.
Oh, I see. I mean, you're in Bulgaria now, but your husband is actually a U.S. citizen, right?
Dual citizenship, yeah.
Okay, dual citizenship and thing. And are you loving it over in Bulgaria? Or is it challenging being there as a Jamaican?
Yeah, it's kind of really challenging because I have to learn a new language, which is not really difficult, and the food is really difficult. Like I can't eat any curry chicken or anything like that, you know.
Oh, okay. So you're going there for a long time?
Well, until 2 years' time, I'm coming back to Jamaica.
Oh, okay. Listen, all the time you just stay strong, and again, the program they have to keep you company from give you look a piece of Jamaica.
Yeah, I can see you every night until 12 o'clock when I go to my bed.
Wait, how many hours ahead are you over there in Bulgaria?
8 hours.
You're 8 hours ahead. That mean what?
It's after 11 o'clock now.
It's after 11 now. Papa Jesus. Yeah. All right. So you just sit on up at night time and listen to the show. Ruth, you need to write down these countries, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, I have my cell phone and so on, so I just listen to you because I get the link to listen to it on my cell phone.
Mad. All
and
right.
I bought this program from iTunes, Jamaica Radio from iTunes, that I can also listen to it from sometimes.
Okay, I see. What's the program called? What's the app called?
Jamaican Radio.
Jamaican Radio. That's the app that you listen to it on iTunes.
Yes, from iTunes.
Okay, well, we are aware that apparently there's several apps out there and so forth that's giving people access. So we're glad that you can hear the show, and we're there to keep you company. And
yeah, I just love listening to you. You know, sometimes my husband gets upset because I don't cook in time. But I love listening to you every time.
All right, listen to me now. Make sure you take care of them things. You have some woman down there, them have it done to a science. Them take care of them man thing before. Everything done before. That's in the man and sort out and whatever, this and that, and then they can listen to the show, you know? I make the man, I make the man cuss you over the show, yeah? I make your husband cuss you over the show.
No, cuss me even because I'm listening to you, so sometimes I'm listening.
Okay. All right, then. Blessings and respect. And be safe over there in Bulgaria, okay?
Thank you. And I will be coming to one of your shows for you to meet me as soon as I come to Jamaica.
Please do. And all you have to do is say, you remember the caller from Bulgaria, and it done right there, so it lock right there.
Yeah, I know. There aren't any Jamaicans here, so I guess you know that I'm the only one.
All right, you take care here.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yeah, man. Blessing. Boy, we just want to give thanks to people who are listening to things all about, all about across the world and things. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Wow.
Yeah, I got one mix up for you.
Box me in my class with it.
I used to go to school, right?
And
I have two friends. So one man live off one of them, but one live off now showing now he no progress. So she now starts to him up on the next friend.
Yeah.
So that got to that one day I had to put him up on one day. So she now starts to talk and so every day the man come buy 3 hour lunch,
Mm-hmm.
So one day now him come buy lunch. So I want restaurant, dessert and everything. So when we left out of the restaurant now, I say, so he look full, So we say, yeah, we now walk with him, so I tell him, so we're going to one store. So she tell him, no, we're going to one store. So I can't come to say, no, I'll hear the things we are going to find him. All right.
Well on. Go talk up clear about the part. What you say?
When we left, when we don't eat, we come out of the restaurant and I tell him, sir, we are going to one store because we don't want to walk with him, go down because he look full.
Okay.
So we're going to the store, so she said, we're going to one store. So I said, I can't come. So she said, no. I told me, the people look fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he said, all right, I'm out there. So when we come out now, we put up out of the store and cross the road, let him go like we don't see him.
Yeah.
We back down at school now. So when we go on the car, she said, you know, like him now, don't bring me to lunch and so all the while. So she said, call him. Because through me talk like how a man, you can't change the man to vibe like man,
True, you said true, you talk like how a man, you can't change the voice to man.
No, I can't change the voice like a man.
You can't change the voice into like a man voice.
Yeah.
Because you don't talk like... Yeah, all right. So you call him. So you call him like a man?
Yeah, and put the phone on speaker. I read that, put it on speaker. So I say, hello. So I say, who is this? So I say, yo, I left my woman alone, And I say, which woman? So I start, I know everything about him. So I start telling him everything about him. When I leave on family, I'll come to him. And I start getting nervous. I start shake. So, me did have one, and I tell him, and I say, I just pass him at the town, And want a blue shirt, and I say, no, man, I wrong somebody. So, me check down the radar now, and think it's hang up. Because in the past week, I never hang up, She always start laughing at the man, I say, in school, I will make him have lunch tomorrow again, and he have no sense, and the man will say everything, Raga. He say, Raga, the man come down at the school gate, and turn up down there. Could we come out? You want to go home, I can't go home. So, two of me right now. Me tell the other 2 girls, and say, say, me I go with you. Yeah, they can't live with you. Them, all right, go on and see me follow you. So, me run go down the stairs and I'm passing him. Indian. So, I go and let me die here. Indian, tap me now. So, I say, I don't know you, how you. So, I say, Raga. The man says, all right, watch me on. But me just sure go on my take taxi, go home. I'll never reach home and the home, I call the girl and I say,
How it end up? 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 How it end up?
Somebody just wants to big him up because the man out there, I tell her, the girl them couldn't live off of the stairs, you know.
Eh.
And when me reach home, they call me and say, no, we can't live off of the stairs because the man stairs.
I work cause him just stand up out there, chang. All right, then.
My wait for them to come out.
All right, then. Bless up here. Yeah, man, bless. Here we go. Next call. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
You're nervous. You're nerving us. Darling, why are you nervous?
Call about the lady will call earlier on about the bush.
Yeah.
All right. A 3 bush together.
3 bushes.
Yeah. Dark blood.
Mm-hmm.
Very vine.
What?
Very vine.
What you name of what?
Very vine.
Very vine.
Yes.
A vervine.
Yeah, a marigold.
A marigold.
Ghoul. Yeah.
Ghoul.
3 bush there together.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Dark blood, vervine, and marigold.
Yes.
So are them 3 bushes that them do together?
Yeah, man. Them 3 bush they shot.
Clean out the woman.
Whole whatever is there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What man not take them thing there?
No. And from it's just like she can't she can't end up get pregnant after that process. After she drink it for like 9 morning, and she no sweeten it. She just boil it and drink it.
Oh. And that will make the navel push out.
Yeah, man, them 3 bush there, them shot because me live in the countryside and I know people like we complain and things like that, and me get the 3 of them, give them, and them alright now, have baby and things.
For real?
Yeah, for real, because me get it from our older lady.
Alright then, so what the man version of them bush then?
Well, me don't know any wrong, I'm going to have to check the lady because they're a very old lady.
I know one when I say work for man, me sure I one.
We sure that, right?
Medina.
Okay, yeah, true, the Medina.
Medina.
My father with that.
Me hear say when if man drink Medina every day and breed up people now. Well, that is what Jamaica people say. You understand?
All right, right.
All right, but thanks, here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know the most hard card me doing. I know you don't laugh, but you know the most hard. So Raga, why you not drink it since you know? Why you not drink it, Raga? You hit you the thing, yo. Okay. Oh, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yo, Boomba.
Bada bing.
Wagwan.
There you are, my king.
Yeah, Lele, long time.
You see?
About a year now, I'm call it, but the list every day.
How old is?
Lele, man.
Lele.
Yo.
Taxi driver Lele.
Yeah, no, I
Lele. Why you say, Papa?
I love you baptize the people in favor.
You see?
Yo, one thing, Biggie say, the last time when I was in class with my girl,
yeah.
You know all the while I said, Biggie, if you can't talk, can you call me name? We are listening by my mommy. Slow down the bed, we are listening. 129 times we call you.
No, you know, says several people give me that number there too.
Yes,
several people give me that same number 129 times, them said.
But he's not calling here before that. Raga, listen. We in the Raga.
Raga, listen, Raga, listen. Listen, Raga, listen. You know, one must check the listen to. When she attack, you never check the listen to. Yeah. All right. Yeah, Lele, let's say a word and safety out there. Yeah. Safety out there on the road, Papa. Bless up. Well, I will break people. We'll soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the team them.
Hey man, welcome back up in nice sitting. Welcome back up in nice sitting. Phone mix up or any other sample mix up. Phone mix up or any other sample. Phone mix up or any other mix up right now. Send on again, Rinse. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Oh, go.
Tell me now.
I'm just go and chill and listen and laugh. One big up to the wife for come meet her husband at the door in a towel, and the man jump out in a vehicle, go in a one next one and go fight down the road for the matey.
What? Say that again, what?
One big up the wife for come meet the husband at the door in a towel.
Yeah.
Him jump out of the van, jump in the car and go back down the road, go fight over him matey.
Well, who jump out? Who jump?
Right, the wife, the host, right?
Right.
And here ma come, so she come up on the van in a towel to come meet him.
Right.
him have 2 vehicles. Him just jump out of the one and just come. Go in our next one and go down the road, go fight the next man for see him mate when I keep on the road.
Go fight the next man?
Yeah.
The husband go fight the next man? Who have up him bona girl?
Yes.
That time the wife come out from veranda with towel for greet him.
Yes, sir.
And him say, yo, I can't talk to you now. I go in my other vehicle, jump in the other vehicle.
No, I can't even recognize our presence.
Don't ever see her turn up there in a towel and wait and thing. And just jump in my other vehicle and go down there, beat up a next man who has sat out him theme woman on the side.
Yeah.
Of course, we don't go with streets here, so you just tell with the community. Right?
I'm going to be there.
I'm going to be okay. All right.
Brother, she traumatized, because she bleached out because the girl is a browning.
Yeah.
So she bleached out, he said that could have hold him.
The wife got bleach out, he said she can't hold him. Say if her browning you want, she got bleach.
And she put on nails and things. But him still not coming up here 3 o'clock, him coming still.
But how old is the wife?
She about late 20s or early 30s.
Late 20s or early 30s and things.
Yeah.
And you think that the man, just the man she bleach for? Because she says her man love browning, so she try to get brown too.
Yes, but...
Oh, God. Tell her, you can't tell her the wrong thing she do.
No, she love him, but he love her.
Oh, okay. Well, you say she love him, I don't him love her.
Yeah.
All right, then. That's the word here.
Big up yourself and big up AC. Wow.
Man.
All right.
It goes so. All right, blessing. Big up all the others, mixup.com. Big up all the others. Big up on yourself, larger upon a larger pass of the thing said. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
What's up?
What you say?
There you know.
Yo, I not really want to bring down nobody or put down nobody, but hear me now, me I talk about sort out.
Yeah.
You see me now?
Yeah.
I am an intelligent lover. So, so let me tell you something now.
Yeah.
You see, if me have a man, respect come first, more than like the sort out and them something there. I mean, I have to work with the man. Look here. Me not there with no man just because he can't sort me out.
Yeah.
Like, and no man now go turn me out. So guess what? It all boils down to satisfaction. Me have to come. Me can't come on the radio.
Yeah, you can't say come on the radio.
Me have to can't come. It don't make no sense. No man a jack me up. And me can't come. So if my man can make me come without jacking me up, and him respect me, and him show me all of the respect, and him love me. Look here, Raga, you know what with Holy Power we women?
Yeah.
We have man a jack we up, man a turn we up, man a turn we down, and guess what? At the end of the day, them not take care of we, they not love with them or disrespect we. Raga, if my man love me, my man respect me, and if it come the day, my man can sort me out good enough.
Right.
But if it come the day where something wrong with him, Raga, I tell you, me I stick to him because a good man.
Prap, and that's what the thing for said. Too thick and thin.
Look here, we as women, we love to talk about man dead. A man pop down a man this. Yeah, if a man run it out there, yes, and the man diss you, afterward you go start talk up the things then. But if you have up your good up man, brother.
Yeah. And
then things go bad. It can't go bad with we women. It can't go bad with we women.
That's true. That's true. But it's just that when it go bad with the man, it more obvious, you know.
Yeah, obvious, but look, if I hear a man, you have to work with it. We don't know what will happen down the line with us, Raga. And sometimes
but when you say to a woman, what you say to a woman who recognize that she has a good man, but at the same time she's fighting it, but she just reach a point where she have to acknowledge it that the sexual frustration and the inability on his part to satisfy her is driving her crazy. What you say to that woman?
Let me try to tell you,
yes.
Sometimes whole heap of them don't know what a come is. Them only love the jack up. Them don't know what a come is.
Okay.
Because look, if there are many ways. If you have your man and you have your woman, where you can satisfy your man, where you can make the woman come. You understand?
No, but darling, but it's funny that you're saying that, because what actually obtains out there is that while it is believed, well, I shouldn't say believe, apparently them say it's actually less than 50% of women who actually experience an orgasm when they're having sexual intercourse and things. Hold on. No, darling, what I'm saying to you, what I've also heard is that women, unlike men, are process-oriented and not end-oriented, and women can enjoy sex without coming.
Lord, you can't enjoy without you come Raga talk it truth.
No, that's what I'm talking about, women. I'm just telling you what. Of course I can.
You can't enjoy without you reach this, sir?
No, honestly. No, me not say when me I do it, me I go want to reach this, you know. But I have on several occasions throughout my life enjoyed sex.
Look here. What the best part of it, to talk it truth?
It's all relative, but in general, that's the best part for man, yeah.
Yeah, for woman too. For woman too.
No, I'm not denying that, you know. I'm just saying that women more so than men. I hope you follow what I say.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to me. Anybody who come must know say come is good.
Mad.
Right. But what I'm saying is, I want you to be careful because there's a lot of women out there who enjoy sex, who enjoy lovemaking, and they don't have an orgasm.
Because of that, them used to. But anytime them start get it, you see, look here. You see the woman who called you yesterday and tell you, say, the first she ever get the swiping.
Yeah.
And how she feel. Guess what? How she coming up. May I tell you that? Because I just feel it. And they come when she comes. You know, she tell you, say, she never experienced nothing like that yet. Yeah. And when you ask her if the man thought, if it good or it, she said she don't even know.
Okay. And
you not pick it up. You not pick it up. She come. Remember me tell you that.
Right. But it's... oh, Lord.
Look here at you, whole heap of way, lack coming. We never experienced that yet. Trust me.
Okay. You said that to a whole heap of woman never really experienced an orgasm.
No, they not experience that yet. Look at them love the pain and tomorrow them a wash up. Them a wash up with this and a wash up with
right,
that.
And a splash and a sap.
Look at me,
a splash and a sap.
Lover.
No, but you have some women, but you cannot say they're unintelligent. Some women just like that aggressive, turn me and fling me and dash me and grab me here and that. Some women just like that. You cannot, hold on, you cannot say that you're an intelligent lover and because you don't like that and them like it, they are implying that they are unintelligent.
I'm not putting down nobody, you know. But
yeah.
Just as I said, look here. If something will cause you pain, just like a heartbreak, when you go take up something like you tell somebody,
no, darling.
Like something you say all the while,
no,
you say,
darling.
Who love you.
You know what I'm saying is, you may look at a particular type of pain in a certain way. There's some women who look at a particular, and there are two different types of pain, though, you know. Be careful here. Mm-hmm. You have what you could have called real pain, me I did, and you have a certain pain where at, but people are enjoyed. What I'm saying is, some women don't like that pain, but you can't say it's unintelligent and stupid as some women who like it. Well, you never said that.
I'm talking about me.
Right. But
I'm just talking about me. Look here, I don't love put down nobody. You
right.
You understand? I don't like to be put
down.
But
darling, some women love when you twist them and turn them and catch them and hold them and collar them and set them in a corner.
That's like fight.
No, but what I'm telling them, like, no, just me, no. Sometimes me, at some point, I say, girl, just sit down and keep your damn self quiet. Your damn foolishness. You understand? You know, so don't believe me. I'm just saying that we have to exercise the maturity and understand that, that might not be my thing, but we can understand where you get sexual satisfaction from that. You understand what I'm saying? And don't necessarily judge them.
The thing, you know what I'm placing emphasis on is that instead of putting down, if you have somebody who is, look here, Raga, for instance, say you know, me and you there, and then me and you I respect you, you respect me. Me, we have kids together, we have come from way back when, and something.
Right.
You know, this mean I know we are Raga. And then just something happen. Look here, it can be a car accident where you get paralyzed. It can be any other thing. It could happen to me too. So I wouldn't want what I don't want for myself. Look here, me might not have nothing down there where I got dead, but anything.
No. But darling, don't.
It can't satisfy you the way when me used to satisfy.
Yeah. Ruth, I beg you to take a couple more. But what I'm saying is, when you hear women calling and them must celebrate them sort out and thing and whatever.
No, I don't hear nobody calling. You know, it's just a topic when I discuss with my sister them. And then them must say, because them dear me say, I bet me can't call you, so me call you.
Mm-hmm. No. Well, me understand where you said. Basically, you are say that you like sex is good, but people must be careful and realize that when you have a good man or a good woman, you cannot make sex define that good relationship. And things can happen in life where, you know, let me tell you from now, me want a woman. When me reach a stage and for me sit in the car come up, she will work with me. You understand? And when me take my pill, them, she can't say, yo, don't forget your pill. And she now go, talk down to me or whatever and this and that. When me reach out in my 50s and 60s and some, I want to
me even earlier, that's how me I try to tell you.
It happened to some of them boy in them 20s, me I understand.
Exactly.
But you're damn right. Me agree with it. But me come amongst two more call and thing, but me agree with you.
Yeah,
you need women you need people who more balanced and thing and understanding about the thing and don't be so, but be careful with the come thing where you talk about the door, cause enough people enjoy it and not come.
Well, I don't know, but that me you love.
That you love?
Yeah, that me you love, and them need to reach this, and then them with.
But you say an interesting thing, just before you go, you say an interesting thing. Am I correct? Did you just say, even if you not get the sort out, as long as you come, you're good?
Yeah. Look here.
You know what that mean, though?
Look here.
You know what that mean, though?
You know that me going out for pleasure.
That you going out? All right. We understand you, man. Do your thing, baby.
Never satisfy the man and he never satisfy me. Me satisfy my husband, he must satisfy me.
See it there. A blessing, see it.
Look here. Me now make no man come and me no come.
Yeah. See it there.
You
know, no man come and you not come.
No, you have to come too.
You have to come first.
That frustrate me when me can't come.
When you can't come. So the man must make sure you come first, no?
Because me know him a go come. Me know me a go make him come. So he have to make sure that me come first. Anyhow, he want to make me come, him just make me come. So work with it.
No say a word here.
Yeah, man, big up.
Blessings. Give me a call. Good afternoon, hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, my call to tell about a little Mixup of one in Corville Garden before yesterday.
Say now.
A little girl went over Dwayne Park and tell a 16-year-old boy in our house. Somebody got see and go call the father. The father come from work, come text the girl and the boy at the house to have sex. The boy run out of the house, kneel in them underpants and with him pants and him shirt and everything them and run through Corville. The father ball out thief. The whole of Corville come down and the boy start beat the boy, sling stone him. Then they kill the little boy out in the playfield of Corville. Then two little boy and know Corville know him run down over at the project house and them never do a better thing than stab up the little boy. Now the little boy in a coma. The little boy father hear about it and tell police come and come for the man, lock up the man. The man get station bail. When the man get the station bail now, the man come back, clear the little girl got abuse it. But tell the rape minister the boy rape her and then go to the police station. But tell the police that rape the little boy rape her. Same things in a right, Raga.
Well on. So the little boy and the girl in our dealings, right?
Yes.
How old is the girl?
16-year-old.
All right. And then the youth come from Dwayne Park and she live at Corville.
Yes.
And then, so she go over the youth and then the youth come over our house and the two of them in there do them sitting, right?
Yes, she go for the youth, yes.
Right. And then somebody call the girl father and say them in there going with the things.
Yes, the girl father, I know when did they work away.
And when the girl father come and rush them, the youth run out and thing. Just that little picnic, they run out and thing.
Yes.
When the youth run out, the man go ball out teeth.
Yeah, the man start beat the little girl and then the boy run out. And when the boy run out, twins to the boy get to know him, run down the boy and start ball out teeth.
And people think a thief because we don't know Corville set away. And them, and them beat the youth and stab him up thinking him a thief.
Look here, Raga, I'm going to look through the window because when I see the little boy run, I'm going to say, I look outside, I come here, I see the little boy, I drive past and I see the little boy and me I tell you, Raga, me know the little boy and I see. Me know them and I see. The man, them beat the little boy, them beat the little boy, them kick him up. The whole Corville, them stone him. And when him do get well, like the man let the man say, me say, me stop my car and the man, me hear the man just say, we don't allow him now. The same the girl's father say, we don't allow him. Allow him now. So the boy get away. When the boy get to the boy run, because he like, know Corville, and him run back in like trouble, run straight through the gate, him run in at the project part there. When him run the project part, some boy there, and then stab him up. Them stab him up, Raga.
And then after them stab him up now, the boy father, the little boy father, I don't know, him go report it to...
When the boy father hear about it, the boy father go to police station, the police have come over court, they shoot the man. Lock up the man. When them lock up the man gets Satan.
That's the girl father.
Yes, the girl father.
Yeah.
Then the girl's father carry the little girl got rape unit, go tell him, say the boy rape her, and then go over the police station and go tell the police that they rape the boy rape her. I remember saying, tell the people and say, peace, Him tell the people and that.
So hold on. So him just did that do that now because the man go police go report it. Him a do that now as a wappy back now for get back at the brother.
Yes.
And for protect himself in the court.
No, because to him make where the people them do to look a boy and the book of boy him never know say that go so far so said police have come to him now. And he know because he get locked up now and get the station bill. Him carry the little girl got a rape unit. To him want turn it now, say it's an offense to little boy commit.
Right.
So little boy in a coma now.
So
in a hospital in a coma.
So a big thing down there in a Corville and Dwayne Park, right?
Big thing, I got big
When it happen?
Here before yesterday.
Why? From when me I hear, you know picnic go on them thing and what? From when me I hear, with all due respect, him shouldn't go ball out teeth when the little boy around. Him shouldn't do that. When you say the little boy gets stoned and the boy gets stoned and thing and all kind of thing and in a coma or in a hospital.
When the boy could even walk up, I say, I know when get the strength from run, because the boy them let him go him run. And when him run, them still some boy run him down because he never get far, he never reach out of poor because he like him turn fool. I don't know if I turn him turn fool rather. And then tab up little boy, tab him up. Tab him up because everybody thinks him at sea.
All right. Well, it out there now and people are here about it because you don't know things set pan a show when things talk about them. Say we have to leg right now. But why me just hope say some kind of resolution can come out tight where them help out the youth right now in a state in a hospital. You see me?
Well, I'm going to feel it, man.
Then I must feel if I saw the story go, man, I must feel it, man.
My tears are come on my eye because that's wicked. That wicked because the man knows and the boy and a thief.
All right, take care of yourself, people. Tomorrow, 1 o'clock, we'll kick it up.